record. All right. See. Everything is there. Good. So, wanna fix the Frustum, brother. I still don't know what to do for the music stuff though, but we'll figure something out, am I right? Anyways, so. You guys, do you know, I don't know, there's probably nobody in the chat already, but that's okay. I think the problem with my Frustum is that it has what's it called? What the fuck is going on?
Should you just use like 0.1 and 100 for your near and far plane, or?
No, the thing is that it's with the, what am I trying to find? I'm trying to find, it's the, what's it called? View, right? So it's the view projection here. This is fine. The problem, I think, is when it goes into, wait, like so. And this one we can go to, oh fuck, I always got this wrong. And then here, so it should be, and then it's gonna call the node, and no, wait, actually, is it then the problem here? Wait, hold on, go to definition, is visible here. Yeah, I have some math probably most likely wrong in here, which is doing it incorrectly. Because this is literally just taken from the tutorial that I was following. And I wonder, because the view matrix, I think it's all right. It's passed incorrectly when it goes into here. It just takes. Oh wait, am I? It should be the view projection, right? Projection. This thing. This is. Because I pass in scene data, view projection, and then yeah. I think it should be okay. Yeah. It could also be just that the origin is wrong. Wait, let me see. I don't need to have it like that. And let's see. So Ken was happy you're live. Weekend streams are important. Oh yeah. Wait, is this a new message or is it an old message? I do not know. Yeah, weekend streams are important. But let's see. I wonder, is it because of this? Hello, Theos OSOB. Because projection each corner into clip space. I wonder, could it be because of this self-bounce extents? But extents should be fine. What I think, at least. Because that comes from the GLTF, right? And that is from extent. Yep. Extent is equal to extent here. Yeah, I had to create it separately
Hey
from.
guys, go now though, because I need to continue editing the ski videos.
Yeah. Ah, yeah, do that. And show us then when you're done, okay?
Alright.
Bye bye. What are you trying to do? Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, maybe I should show. So if I do a sig build run. So this is the current thing. Yeah, like it has some weird clipping. When it's to the left of the camera, it assumes that it's no longer in frame. Or like the Frustum. And I'm trying, maybe I should, could I draw a debug of that thing? Could that be possible? To draw a debug of the Frustum that I'm using? Because either it's, well, Frustum shouldn't be the problem. I think the problem is probably just how I calculate stuff, if they are within the Frustum or not. Right. If the polygons aren't right, that's a good question. I literally, the way, ADK guide. I didn't look into the math too much when I just took this thing. I was following this thing and it was the last thing I did in the chapter, so yeah. Let's see, Frustum column here. So I just made the assumption that this should probably work, right? Fix that then, yeah. Can actually just do this for to have it this way. This is the thing I could consider that I'm doing. Oh wait, hold on. No. Because this is the am I doing, yeah, this should be, oh wait, now I see. No, this should be fine. Or is this code that writes the vertex buffer, loops the vertices of this surface, find min max, calculate the origin, extent. Am I doing this just, no, this should be correct. If you're using an image next to something, then that can be a little more complex. Yeah. Or I could just change the but this is still like, it's just the vertices mesh, right? It takes the initial position of both of them and then it goes through each of these vertices that just like min position. Well, it's not a guarantee that that should be. Well, yeah, I do. Oh, no. Because yeah, no, that will work. Yeah. So it will just compare always and then just take the position that is. But that also depends, like, how is this compared, right? Because this thing takes 2 or more arguments, returns the smallest value included the minimum. This built-in accepts integer floats and vectors of either. In the later case, the operation is performed element-wise. So it might not. How does the GLM perform the min-max operators? For example, the image will overlay the like GUI. Okay, wait. Basically, what I'm thinking here. I could take this one over to there. I think. Open up another one just in case we need it there as well. Bam. Put it there. All right. So, based on this, I'm thinking like if you have a mesh, let's just do a cube for simplicity, right? And it also, great. It resets. And then you have the vertices, right? Maybe I should do them with a different color. Bam. Bam, that's fantastic. These are the vertices, right? And then it goes through, it takes just some initial vertex, whatever that may be. And then here it checks, okay, if min position, depending on how it does this, it does it element-wise. I'm not entirely sure what that means, but let's assume that it gets it right. And then I will check that in next. But if my assumption is that if this is, let's say this was the origin here as well. Wait, negative, yeah, wait, yeah. This is the origin X, Y, and Z. Am I doing this right? Whatever. Doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. And then let's say this would be the smallest, and then this one should be the large because it has 1, 1, 1. All of these other ones are just, well, that's a bit of a weird one, but whatever. And this one just should be 0, 0, 0. Smallest one you could get. And then extent is max minus min, so it would just be a half if this division is correct on that thing. Maybe I should just load an arbitrary cube instead of anything else and see, well, shit. And I could print the values to see if what happens, but this should be the case. And then origin is max position plus that, which would also be the same. So both, yeah, so the origin would be here and then extent would be 1/2 in all directions, right? So it should be okay. Hello, null the pointer. And then sphere radius is just extent length. So that is literally just taking the length from here. But that shouldn't, that will be a bit weird, won't it? Will that actually be accurate? I'm wondering if that would be correct though. Are you using whole numbers or in between numbers? You mean floating points or in between numbers? I haven't heard about what are in between numbers. But I'm not even using sphere radius, so that one is not gonna be a problem. However, it's done, right? What's the goal of this engine? It's not supposed to be an engine, it's supposed to be a game, but I'm making kind of an engine as a byproduct, so I need to make an engine, right? Otherwise I can't render. Oh, welcome back.
No, you don't need an engine to render. You just need text. You use terminal
Just
images, right?
I'm gonna make the game in a terminal next time. Okay, big mistake to use Vulkan. Big mistake.
Yeah, big mistake.
No, it's fine. But yeah, this is what I'm thinking right now. And then the floating point number. Yes, the floating point number. Yeah. It's stored as floating points. Are you using whole numbers or floating points? Yes, so floating points. I'm using floating points. And then there's three things that could be wrong here. Either I have the vertices wrong to begin with. In between noise, yes. Let's refer to floating point as in between from now on. I think it's a great
In between.
in between now.
between.
Instead of floating point numbers, we have in between numbers now. Decimals? No, it's called in between.
Exactly.
But they should be stored. There's either we need to know the value of the points of it's going to be points. We need to know the value of the points if it's going to be points. I mean, this has all of the vertices. That's one thing that I could have wrong, but I don't think, because it should have the initial vertex correct. And let's see, the initial vertex is items that len. Yeah, so we will have the next, and then yeah, start, and then index count. And then let's see, because then this should be fine. I'll just resize it so I can have that, and then it goes +1. Yeah, should be fine here. Indices list, ensure capacity, normals, text score, and that shouldn't have anything to do with it. So this is 100% correct. Otherwise some other things would be pretty damn messed up. And then it could be this. What does the... I cannot see how it does it. How does the at min and at max work? Sig at min.
Like min and max work.
Yeah, on vectors.
Oh, on vectors. I'm not sure you can use them.
You can use they do them element wise, but what does that mean?
Goes over each element and then does the min max on the like element compared to the other. It's like a for loop where they do
Okay, but
min max whatever.
in maxing. Because should I instead have like
You're min-maxing.
how does the GLM do it then when you use GLM min max on vectors?
Don't know. Never used to get them.
I don't know if that's what I'm trying to find. They should. They probably have something that could say, right? Can I just see the implementation of how they do the... I don't know if it will make me more confused. They're probably just using templates, so... Yeah. Let's see... GLM min. Min... in between frames. In between of frames, do you mean before the new frame generates or before the swap buffer call? Bro, I talk about 3D animation engines when I say betweens. In betweens. Anyways, so... Well, to some extent, this should be right? Anyway, and then this makes sense. You could just get the extent, you divide it by 2. This should make sense, I think. And then this one just adds, so you get kind of like you move from max position plus min position. So you have wherever you... Wait, what if you had 1 and 2? You would have... That doesn't look good. Is that right? Am I doing this right? Origin is max position plus min. Oh yeah, but then you divide it by half. Yeah, then it makes sense. I forgot about that. And then you have the max extent is min, and that makes sense too. Yeah, that makes sense. I think the logic here is alright for how I get this. What's in between transitions? I don't get updated up until you call the swap buffer, but I'm pretty sure you mean before starting to draw. Like this is just initializing on the mesh. Wait, so I don't. This is the only thing that happens then after if I determine if I should draw anything or not, right? So we have the view projection takes the transform of this render object, which is the, well, where's the position? That position is right now, and is, I don't know, I don't think it's an identity, but basically you can think about it. It's just in the center of the whole world, the position of this thing. Anyways, Lucas, after 10 months, I expect SSGI in the game engine. It's going to make it look this engine is gonna be low poly, alright? I swear, do I need to bring up SFM? But anyway, what? Wait, what's going on here? Okay. And then in here, let's see. Because here we do take the project each corner into the clip space, okay? So the extent corner multiplied by that. Origin, I cannot explain the math for this, but the origin plus the corner, which is one of these. And then you have the extent, which is how wide it is. Oh, but that's might be the issue that how is this supposed to be, because it's GLM. Oh fuck. Is this a vector, or is this like a dot product or a cross product? I don't even know what it is here. I should probably have, that might be the issue, but then because it's not a scalar, this is actual, like it is it's a vec3 times a vec3. But then they store it, yeah, they make it a vec4, yeah, they just add this in the end, whistling. And these ones are right, the X.
By the way, did you update NumC?
I haven't updated NumC, should I update NumC?
Yes.
Okay, I will update NumC. Was it just git fetch? And I have to say the exact thing I'm wanting to fetch, right?
Sig fetch.
But I also have to say the exact thing are.
Yeah, I can send you.
But I have it. I have the link in my Sun file. Don't I? I do.
Yes.
NumC there. And I want the, oops, where am I going? This thing. And do I want the hashtag or
You
is it?
actually want the git.
I want
You
the.
want all of. When is NumC? No, it's NumC. But you gotta have the git plus also, but you can just type that in later.
Yeah.
It is sig fetch.
See, I knew
not
that.
Git.
It's a force of habit, all right. All right. Let's see how bad it breaks now. Oh no.
Impressive.
Thank you. Okay, no, it's the same still. But yeah, that's
Bro, what is this model you have?
it's a don't worry about it. We are fixing Frustum right now.
Yeah, I see a nice Frustum calling there.
Thanks. um Yeah, now things shit works good. Good. I think, I don't know,
Bro,
because
how hard could it be to do Frustum culling?
bro, I'm trying to figure that out, alright? I don't know why.
Like,
Because
bro, you can just like do the bounds of the model as like a cube, you know, and then you can just like send a ray from the like closest point of the thing, the cube, to you, and then you know.
what? What do you mean?
Man,
Do you mean
just
if
use ray tracing.
it's just ray tracing? Do you mean like storing for every object in a game taking its position and taking a ray and see if it's within a specific angle of the camera? Or what do you mean?
Well, nah, but like if we're high level about it, okay, like you just have like a big box in front of your like camera, right? And all the models that are like connecting to that big box, your camera box, whatever.
Have a big but that's basically what I'm trying to do.
Yeah,
Here,
so how hard could it be?
I got each corner here right now. Well, that's the thing. Apparently, it's the only thing it
Why aren't
might
they like 0.5?
because Vulkan has one.
Ah, okay. Okay, now I get it because bounce extends. Okay.
Yeah. But there is either it's something to do with this because I don't know. I just followed this thing and again, fucking C++ operator overload. How am I supposed to know if this is a dot or a cross product? Right now, this is not. This is doing element operations, and that might be a reason why it's wrong. I assume this is what if you do a multiplication on vectors inside of on SIMD, right? It would do per. I am not sure, but this could be another reason why it's wrong. Because I don't know what this operator overload is supposed to do.
Bro, why would they overload the multiplication thing with something that isn't multiplication?
No, because with vectors the dot you either have a dot product or it's a cross product. I don't know which one it is right now.
Okay, can't that also be a scalar?
No, because these are both are vectors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still, like, bro, who in their right mind puts that shit to be like cross or dot product? Like, why is it on multiplication? Like, how are you supposed to do multiplication?
Anyways, we're gonna quickly go on a sidetrack and search for SSGI. Screen space global illumination. Oh wait, yeah, I've heard about this. Techniques used in video games and graphics applications simulate dynamic indirect lighting within the visible screen space. Yes.
Lightning? Oh,
Yeah,
direct and indirect lightning.
yeah,
That
the
sounds
thunder.
some lightning.
I think where I heard about it the
Yes.
first time was actually Unreal Engine because yeah, I did some weird shit in Unreal which I shouldn't have done. Oh look, I opened the page. Okay, great. Here SSG disable and enable. Look at that. There's like, okay, it's like brighter.
Wow, that's so crazy.
That's so crazy. Wow. This is crazy. Anyways, is this a video? How do I play it? Can I play it? Ah, okay, crazy. Anyways. Does it say in this tutorial which one it is? This is just multiple possible functions could be used for Frustum calling. That way this works is that it transforms each of the 8 corners of the mesh, binding box into screens, creates object matrix, viewpoint matrix for those who find it. Is inside eclipses, blah blah blah. Okay. Well, I guess it has to be dot. I would like to say dot pro. I'm not sure. Okay.
Just try it.
Well, I guess I could, but I could also
Just
ask.
try it.
I could also ask the beautiful highly advanced AI about its opinion.
AGI.
AGI. Is
AGI,
it a
yes.
dot product or cross? Wow, cross product.
Bro, do you know English? You can say, is it dot or cross product? And then you do a little dash after the dot, you know. So it's like, is it dot dash or a cross product?
It's
Yeah,
neither
that's
maybe
right.
vector. It's not
But,
dot
like,
product or cross. No, it's not, bro. That's not what I'm talking. I meant. Whoa, whoa. I was very unclear about what I meant. Wow.
no shit. Bro, just gave him all the code.
No, no, because I gave the line twice, but it still got focused on this thing. Oh my god. I mean this line. Or this. That line is neither dot cross nor. What is this then? What does this mean? This is component wise Hadamard multiplication. How can I be sure about that? Okay, well then it should be the same. If it's really is
Bro,
that.
just ask it how do you do dot or cross product in GLM? Like, bro, I do not think that you would use the like multiplication, I mean the asterisks for like dot or cross product. Like, that's the most stupid shit I've ever heard.
I can go. I can upgrade
Because
to
like
go.
literally why?
Can I close that? Thanks. Do dot cross are explicit function calls, not operands. Ah, they are? Well, that's great. Okay, I thought already, like, no way they're actually. Okay, I thought they were
Bro,
the
where did you
multiplications.
learn? Bro, how did
Uh,
you learn that asterisks were that? How
because
did this happen?
it would have made
Who
sense to
was
in C++
misleading this?
to make this an operator overload to do that shit. All right, I'm just saying it would make sense to do.
Why would it not be multiplication though? Why would it not be multiplication?
Shut up.
Bro, like you gotta bro, like why would it not be multiplication?
I don't know,
Like
bro.
it's the most logical thing.
It is, but you know, I was thinking it wouldn't be that. um, I don't think there is anything else to this that could be. And then
Claude. Alright, you don't have it anymore.
I don't have Claude. Yeah, no, it's that damn. Wait, two. Ah, look at that. How can I just two? No, that should be two. Two. This one should be wait. X.
Bro, X is 0.
Yeah. Okay, that might be the issue. It's actually correct. I have just fucked things up. Yeah. Okay. But that shouldn't still. Wait, but it's still just OR operators. Why would this change anything? Does it actually have such a big difference if I do it like?
Yeah. Yes, it has a massive difference.
Apparently.
A ginormous difference.
Okay. Why would that have such a big difference? If because it's still OR operators. It should still okay, but wait.
But actually inside the actual operators are maybe different or something.
Because if
Like,
it's
just don't ask, okay? It's math, it's magic.
sometimes it feels like it, but it shouldn't be like that.
Wait, can you go back to the code? Can you go back to the code for a second? Oh my god, this is just what? What? Bro, this is the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Oh my god.
Hey, by the way,
Bro,
did you add
why are
Switzerland
you
now?
doing an if here? Yes. But bro, before we go to Switzerland, why are you doing an if here? Just do like return and then a not.
Bro, that's such a
Bro,
small thing that you're
think.
That's such a small thing
No,
that
bro, this is not a small thing. Bro, having like if you're using more than like 2 returns in a function, you are doing something wrong. All right, that's just how it is. All right.
What the? You always return true?
No, bro, you gotta just like do smart. You gotta instead of if you do return and then a not.
Yeah, I didn't know.
No, No. You don't have.
I forgot the return.
You don't need to encapsulate returns in parentheses. You can remove the most outer parentheses. You
Okay.
know.
Okay.
Yes, and then a semicolon. Yes. Yes. You see, is that so much better?
Well, I guess it is, but it's kind of harder to read. Not this, you know. Instead, you could just have return
Clearly
true or false, you know. But okay.
No.
Okay, Harold, if you say so.
Bro,
Of course,
this
there.
is why, like, when your code is unclean, bro. It's so unclean. When
Bro.
my code is unclean, it looks like a masterpiece compared to your code.
Bro, I've been following a C++ tutorial, okay, and that's my defense.
Yeah, but you can still think. Yeah, but you can still think.
Can I?
You got a C
But
package.
I have thought this
No.
through. All right, you see my beautiful image structure. This okay. Besides this thing, this needs to change again. But I
Okay, let's say your beautiful image structures. Let's see how nice it is. Okay.
yeah. This one is the one that I have actually
Why
like
is it
not.
called img, bro? Why is it called img info?
Because it's image info.
You're calling all the other images image.
Because that's
Yeah, but
actually
you're
image.
calling
This
all the other places were
bro.
images.
Ah.
Bro, you gotta be consistent, alright? You can't just call something img and something image. Like, bro, you gotta be consistent. Like, what is this info for? Is it for the img variable? Well, it doesn't exist.
No. It's just image info is for when you create the thing, you know? Create.
Yeah,
Because-
but that's not image info. That's img info.
Yes. Bro, you. Ah. There, you happy now?
I mean, your stream is like lagging, but yeah, sure.
Bruh, okay. But yeah, and then that's literally this thing is beautiful, and then I have the ID in it, which is very cool, and then you can
Your stream
upload.
is like totally frozen.
Okay. Anyways, then you can upload the upload data to image.
Bro, I don't see anything. It's just it's frozen, bro.
Bro, I've dropped 60% of my frames already on stream. That's crazy. I think it's pretty good, you know. I think if I'm up to the thing, you know, then pretty good.
You haven't even changed image info for my screen yet.
It's still the same for
You're
you.
just having your mouse there.
Bruh.
Oh, now it's not frozen. Now it's not.
Okay, great. Okay, this thing is the thing
Okay,
that
let's
I
see.
did like yesterday, and that thing is like
What is B?
B? What?
B. Var B.
Yeah, this is what I did yesterday, and this thing is barrier. That's why it's called B. It was because in the tutorial this doesn't work, so I added this thing, and then I also added this thing. No, yeah, those two I added because it didn't work without them, and it was supposed to work
What is
without.
this indentation?
Bro, it's gonna get fixed. Okay, I'm gonna fix that image barrier to be.
Bro, look at. Just yeah, but just scroll down for a little second in the for loop or while loop or whatever that loop is. All right.
Yeah.
Just scroll. Yeah. Okay. Just, Oh my goodness, bro. Have you heard about like indentation like being not very good for readability?
But
Like,
bro,
you're doing
this whole thing
less than MIP level.
this fits into the whole screen still. It's not that bad. It's just small numbers. I would understand if you were talking about these
Yeah.
kind of things being indented 3 times, but this thing, it's literally just a small little thing. It's readable, all right?
No, not that. No, I mean down the if statement. Like VK command pipeline barrier 2. You see that function? Below that there is a little if statement. You see
Oh
that?
yeah, that one. Well,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That one without no. You see, in my defense, this thing I don't know, bro. It's a big structure,
Bro,
okay?
why don't you just invert the if, like the if statement,
What do you mean invert
and
it?
then you remove an entire layer? Yeah, you can just like change MIP levels to be before MIP and do -1 there, and then, or just change out the operator. You know, greater than or whatever, instead of less than.
And then do what? Like you mean like just if,
You can just do continue then.
oh, you mean like, and then get rid of one indentation.
Yeah.
Yeah, that could be a bit.
Now you don't have to do this now because you said this was throwaway, but I just want you to learn this, bro.
Oh, this one is not throwaway. This one needs to be here.
Oh yeah, fix that shit then. Then it's fine.
What distro am I using?
Arch window.
Arch Windows. Oh, come on. I'm using Arch Linux. Yeah. Now we need to run that.
He's using Windows Arch.
Windows Arch. Yeah.
Guys, see how much RAM he has.
Yeah.
In this economy.
In this economy,
Bro,
I'm
how are you
basically
using 10 gigabytes?
because I'm
How are you
streaming.
using 10?
I'm streaming to 3 platforms. I'm recording. I'm on Discord. I'm streaming on Discord. Then I have Brave. I have the Stream Fighter running. There's a lot going on. All right. Like, can I just do BTOP? Where can I see like memory here? Discord takes a lot. OBS takes 2, so there's like already 3 there. 4 Stream Fighter takes another 1. So we are already at 8.
Wait, how much is Stream
Wait,
Fighter
8
take?
6. What?
Wait, oh, how is the Stream Fighter that big, bro?
Yeah, it's crazy. And Brave is taking a lot of Brave is taking up space. I think Brave is the culprit here though.
Yeah, Chromium.
Yeah, that's
But bro, how is it taking so much memory?
well,
Bro,
it's the,
I have 3 apps open.
it's made in Unity.
Yeah, I know, bro, but like, damn, you know the Discord bot I made? It uses like 6 megabytes.
Yeah, was it done in Unity? I don't think so.
No?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we can for the sake of Harold's mental health change this. So how do we if
Just invert the operator, I think.
no, because I also need to change it slightly with, or is it just inverting it? Could it be enough? Because I wonder with the minus
I
sign.
think it might be equal. Maybe do an equal also. Or you can just remove the minus, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm really bad at doing this logic. Not gonna lie.
Because it's basically okay. Wait, this is just for each MIP. MIP gets assigned
GPT.
here.
GPT.
No, we don't need GPT for this. Here we go from 0, and then when we reach, why would I even? Yeah, because I don't want to continue. I still want to do this every time. This is only happens if this is the case. I still need to do this. So I cannot do a continue.
Can't you just put this before this thing?
No,
All of this?
because
No?
that's literally the wait. Hold on. But this no wait. This is inside us. Bro, this is so huge that I can't
It's
even read
not.
it. Okay, no. Wait, is this actually inside of this? Why would I need this then?
Nah.
I don't
It's
even.
not inside there.
Is it not? Wait, let me just move the, because it's okay. I'm gonna do this. Okay, bam. This is the if here. Did you see this pink line?
Oh no, it is in there.
Yeah. So why would I even need this?
Bro, it is.
Oh yeah,
in
but
there.
I need this for this one. Yeah. Okay, well then it's fine.
But bro, yeah, then it's fine.
Then I could switch the thing
Like,
and
bro,
just do a
even
continue.
my bad code looks way nicer than this.
I would agree though. Okay. So if you just switch the sign to that, and then do remove that and say continue. And then I can go and get rid of that one. And then in here, so if MIP is larger than or
Do
equal,
it greater or equal.
yeah, it has to be equal.
Yeah.
Like so. Okay. And if it
Yep.
doesn't complain, it's good. It didn't complain, so it's good.
Yes, you see, a little small part of the code is now a bit cleaner. Now this entire project is total garbage, but it's alright.
How dare
It's at least a
you
bit cleaner.
talk shit about my beautiful shit, okay? How dare you?
How dare I? Yeah.
Yeah.
How dare
Anyways, we can go into the main. Beautiful.
The main.
What do you think about the initialization of the whole renderer?
Yeah, looks nice.
I think very, very nice, very nice. But yeah, we can just forget about this for a moment, and now we can actually go to switching out GLFW to this thing, right? Actually, a few things that we could do. If I open up the sun, I don't need this thing anymore, right? The OpenGL is completely gone. It's both.
Yeah.
We don't need that one.
The build is probably gonna kill itself now, but you can just
Yeah.
fix it.
Yeah.
The build is so bad here. It's unbelievable.
Like, come on. Everything I do is just bad, apparently.
Basically.
SDL. I think I will get. I used to use cheesecakes. The SIG binding.
Cheesecakes?
Yeah, the SDL binding for that.
That Cheesecake made?
Yeah. Or contributed to.
Yeah, I got a 7.
But is SDL something that I need to put in here, or is that something I can run from the system? SDL3. Wait. What am I saying?
You don't want it from the system. You never want to link anything in SIG, alright? Like in SIG, what you build system, alright?
Mm.
You want to avoid libc as much as possible because that's shit. You want to avoid
Uh-huh.
linking with system libraries because that makes the person need to install it. But I just send you a link, alright?
And you just send me a link. Brother, that's too late already. I'm already linked with libc.
Yeah, I know it's already too late for you because of the VMA, but like,
Yeah. And
That's
other
what you
other
forgot.
libraries that I'm using. I think all of the C libraries that I'm using kind of needs it. Or?
yeah, well, most C things need libc.
Yeah.
Surprise, surprise.
That makes sense.
libc is actually such a piece of shit.
Piece of shit.
Yeah, it's just like a shit on a global state. And yeah,
Yeah,
it's
come on.
awful naming. It's terrible functions.
Come
Nothing
on.
that's actually useful.
See, it's not that bad. Visual C?
No, C as a language is not too bad, but the libc is terrible. Like
Okay, I haven't
C
gone
was
to.
already pretty bad actually.
How dare you?
Like C is pretty bad, and libc just is the nail in the coffin. It just cooks the language. Like C without libc would be like almost usable.
Code. Wait, has SDL? Oh no, that's the SIG SDL, brother. No. I don't want to use the.
No,
No.
you definitely want to use this.
No. I used it
No,
once.
you definitely want to use
I used it for the Vulkan, right? And the thing was that when I then moved back to quickly do take a few footage shots, things had changed in the freaking thing, so I had to update like function calls, and I had changed some function didn't take parameters anymore, or they had like some different initialization. It was horrendous. I don't want to deal with that again.
So you want to deal with shitty error handling instead?
Yes, I rather do that because that doesn't change.
Really?
That stays the same.
This I don't know what you did to make so this would have to update.
It was
What?
I don't remember what it was, but it was
Did you
some.
update the SIG version?
I had to
Because if
update
you're
it.
using, like, you had to update. Why?
Yeah, because there was when I used the master branch when it was 15 point, or was it 14 something? I don't know, 14 or 15. It was 14 point something, right? And it was the developer branch. And then I had to change to 15.2, and then yeah, things changed also in the SIG SDL, which they wouldn't have if I had just the normal C binding.
Right. Right. Right.
You see?
Yeah, well, we can still do the C thing. One second.
However, most of the library is stable and usable. If you're hobbyist, you are recommended to try it out. So, yeah, see milestones. Yeah, it's no, no. To unite the power of SDL with the general SIGism to feel right at home, alongside with standard library, SDL3 is compatible with many of different. To use SIG SDL3 with SIG, you need to add its dependency to your project. The master branch of SIG is not currently supported. Yeah, not even. Wait, what? The master branch of SIG is not even supported for this, brother.
I didn't read it, but I sent you a new link. This is the same, like it's C, but it's ported to the SIG build system. So the only thing that is SIG is the actual build, because you don't want to do the building from scratch, as it sucks
Ah,
a bit.
okay. Okay.
So it's still C, but it's SIG build system.
Okay. That makes sense. So they just take care of the whole setup, so it just works.
Sort of.
Sort of. So just a SIG fetch and this thing. And then I have to also add this.
Yeah, basically. Well, you probably don't want the testing, but everything else, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice though that they have such things. And I put it with the rest of the dependencies, which is in this way. We don't even need the cargo thing here soon enough because we're gonna move away from Rust completely.
Right.
Uh,
Remove the testing also. You don't want STL test lib. You don't want that.
why wouldn't you want test? STL lib.
Nah.
Wait, but this one I need both in my executable and render. Yeah, I do need it both.
Do you?
Yes,
Alright.
I think. Because the renderer will have no wait, the renderer doesn't actually need to know about it. Because it's just the outside that provides window, but it shouldn't be. Well, I will do it in both. Name. Can I just call it SDL or do you have to?
It's dot name is not just name. Yeah, just call it STL.
Dot module is equal to, and then I do SDL. Is it lib?
No, it's not that. Okay, we are gonna have to do a little thing now. After this STL lib, do a const. Or before it actually, I don't know, you can do whatever. I'd probably do it before STL lib actually. But yeah. Do STL underscore header.
Okay. That's
B yeah, it's b dot add translate.
C. I thought I wouldn't have to do anything in the build.
Yeah, translate. Yeah. Well, you have to do a little thing.
A little thing.
And then you do dot curly braces. Yeah, and then you do root source file. Then you do STL underscore dep.
Oh wait, without the quotation? Yeah.
Yeah, and then you do dot path. Then in the path you pass in include slash STL, uppercase STL. Then yeah, and then
This-
dash, not dash, I mean slash, STL dot H,
Lowercase or uppercase? It's lower.
uppercase, uppercase.
Means it's .h. That's
Yeah,
Okay.
and then please add a comma because you can't read it if it's on one line. It's terrible.
What the fuck just happened? What? It did some formatting. What? How did that happen?
Yeah, because you don't have a comma.
No. It's did
You should
every
first. Mm,
it never mind. I don't want to format it because I still need to fix this one. Oh, I could also
just pass
just
in STL header.
could also do what?
You can
Hello.
just
So, bam.
yeah, great.
Target.
I wouldn't have a comma on the second one if you know what I mean, but yeah. All right.
Missing
And then we're
target.
passing the target also. Yeah, we're gonna
Oh.
pass in targets
Target.
after. Bro, root source file first always. This is not even like. There's a lot of people who think this. It's not just me, alright? Like, I think everyone on the SIG Discord server would agree with this. Like anyone who doesn't put their target and optimize after the root source file, they're insane. And should not be let close to SIG. Now you gotta do the optimize also. Right, and there's still a little step left here, which is that after this, we gotta do STL header dot. Add include path.
How many?
And then you do STL underscore depth.
Ah.
Hmm?
No, how many
Can't just
times
pass
have
in
you worked
strings
with the
here.
build system? I'm always so confused. I feel like don't we have all that we need? Include path. We just provided the include path. Why
Nah.
do we have to provide it again?
Because of C being a shitty language. You do path.
Oops.
Have you ever like used include paths in C? Like include paths, you use them everywhere.
Yeah, but
And then
I
you can
don't.
just include the.
Yeah, just include hashtag or hashtag include, and then you provide the path invitation. That's it. Then it's there.
Ah, hell nah, bro, using quotations. That's rough. Noob C user over here.
What?
Yeah, you pass in a string and just say include. Yeah, Lucas, I don't know, man. I'm starting to think you're not that good of a C developer.
Why would you do it any other way? You don't, unless it's a system library. Just do the brackets. Like.
Bro, the quotations are they're so they're so bad. Like all the compilers handle it like total shit. Like you should just use angle brackets like always, and actually
But
just have good include paths.
But you can't. When can you use the angle? I never figured that out. I was always using the quotation because angle brackets.
Include paths. Include paths.
But no, you cannot. The way you include with the quotation is just you provide a path to the file and then it's there. But with brackets, it doesn't work.
Bro, look good my stream. Alright. Are you looking?
It's loading. It's loading. I'm gonna put you on a big screen. It's loading. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Show us.
Okay, so let's say we have a little C project here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then we would have source and include. Now the
Yeah.
next step you can do, like let's say our thing is called Lucas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like you can either do like Lucas folder in here and in the source, but You do. It's it really depends. Yeah. Anyways, and then you can have like hello.h, and then in here you can have the main.c,
Uh-huh.
and we can have hello.c. All right. So what would here? We probably would include I don't know, stdio, and we would have this like hello function, right?
Mm.
And it would be super nice and beautiful.
Super nice and beautiful. Yes, yes, yes.
Bam.
Very nice, very nice. All right.
Yeah. And then in here we would include. Actually, we can do the build system first. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Wait, but you wait, but I
Yeah.
never. Okay, if I used make in C if I ever used anything, but otherwise I just compiled straight with
Yeah,
just
but I
one.
use Sig build system.
But now you're again gonna do all of this.
We are not the same.
No, obviously not. But also like,
Yeah, what you would do
if you weren't
is
to use a build system, how would you do this in the terminal? Just terminal using to the GCC.
nah, you just don't.
Yeah, exactly. You need the
Just don't.
quotation.
It's a build.
You need the quotations.
Oh, you mean? No, you don't. No,
You,
wait. I'll show you in just a second. Um, no. Okay, now I get what you mean, but no. See source files, root b. Okay, if you don't, this is like just adding the source
the sources, yeah.
files that are
Yeah.
and then we would do main.c, and we
Okay.
would do
Hello.
hello.c.
Yeah.
Right, very nice and beautiful.
That makes
Okay.
sense.
And well, yeah. Now if we do include hello.h, it's nice. All right, we got our beautiful. My God, I can't spell it. Okay, and then we do hello, but well, hello doesn't exist because we haven't added it in the header. I'm gonna use pragma because I don't want to do header cards. Let's see, void hello, bam. Okay, so
Yeah.
now if you compile this, it's gonna throw an error. Okay,
I think the
when it's
frogs.
compiling. Oh yeah,
Huh.
no, I just haven't linked with libc. It's trying to find this problem. That's why it's taking some time. It's also like cache. And because like the C ABI is so trash, the SIG compiler takes longer with it, a bit like compared to SIG, because SIG actually is a good language. Okay, so you see, it's now gonna fail because it doesn't. Yeah. Anyways, it's because of this shit here, right? I couldn't find the main. It says, but yeah. It's hello.h isn't found.
Yeah.
Right? I probably would actually do hello to that. But it's because you would add an include path. So now if you do add, it's a root module. Add include path, b path, include bam boom. Now when we run it, it's fail miserably. Alright, it's because it's not called hello, it's Lucas. Okay, bam, you say hello.
Okay.
Yeah. And do you see any quotes here?
Okay.
I don't think so.
But if you do
because we're
GCC in
adding
the
this module.
terminal,
Yeah.
does it
Then
work
we
then?
do source, main C, source, hello C, and then we do dash, uppercase L,
Yeah.
include. Include. I know there is a way to do this. Wait.
Well, what you have animations? Jesus.
Nah, it's just I was slow.
No.
See? Yeah, okay. We'll just use AI.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like it is dash L.
No, it wasn't dash
Is
I.
it probably like
Capital I. Wait, what?
oh, is it dash I?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably true.
Because
I thought
L
it was
isn't it
dash I.
L for
You see-
libraries?
Yeah. Yep. Okay, you see.
What the
So
fuck?
if you do uppercase I, then you need the include path.
Damn.
Bro, how are you doing this? Were you doing like Like
I
this.
have always provided the actual path to the thing. Always.
The actual path, relative.
Yeah.
So this.
Yeah.
And then like
Or I guess you can also say in the make fund, you can say where you have your what's it called? Your include files. So then you can also, of course, just take it straight from there.
So like this. I'm gonna see. Well, let's see. No, it's
Or where you have your
but if
headers.
we're doing this relative,
Yeah.
it include.
No,
No,
what you have to go back then into include and then Lucas dot wait, how does to back
right.
include
Uh,
Lucas and then it's hello.h.
oh, that is horrendous. This Lucas, what here do you prefer? All right, we're gonna have a little quiz here. What looks nicer?
Well, I think it's quite obvious the first what it where it comes from.
No. This shit ain't it. This ain't it, bro. That ain't it.
Okay, fair.
Bro is massively trolling. Yeah, you see,
But
this is so much nicer.
unless if I have a bad memory, but okay. I haven't done that at least. What is the top one? Because I have provided it.
Go and check up on your memory.
Oh no, no, don't go there, bro.
Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. We need some C here. Well, I mean, C++ is basically the same
Yeah, it's the same.
with include paths. So let's
Is
source.
it actually 11 months ago? It feels like 2 years ago. Holy shit.
Bro. Oh no, why do you have the include path in the source? Oh no. Oh no.
It works.
Bro.
Okay. No, hey, bro, that's not what we're supposed. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this monkey, bro. Okay. This monkey is me looking at this. Like, bro, include inside of the source.
Hey, bro, it was a fine attempt, all right? It worked. That was the main point. Yeah, okay, I used
MV. Oh my god, he's prefixing all the files also.
But hey, that was a pretty good way to do it, okay?
No,
Okay?
that's not a good way. No, it's a terrible way. It's a terrible way. It's a terrible thing.
It is.
Oh,
It
no.
is. It's a good way.
If we go in my pipeline, oh.
Well, I didn't have the relative pad at least. You can be happy about that, okay?
No, it is relative because it's using this.
No.
Oh right, it's because the stupid make and GCC have like terrible include paths.
Exactly.
It's because it's GCC and Clang have Clang is just because it's copying GCC in this case, but like GCC, it's treating include paths like what is as a concept. It's an idea. It doesn't actually care.
Exactly. Anyways.
Suggestion is called.
Okay, but so this is still like the thing is what I find so strange these things is like it's somehow adding connecting all of these things, Can you also compile C++ straight into like you could still access C++ code, like take C++ libraries and use them with SIG? Isn't that also possible?
You can, yeah.
Oh god. That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a build system also. Like, as long as you're not translating anything, it works with C++.
Huh.
When you want to translate C++ into SIG, then it's cooked.
But how do you then call, like, stuff then with C++?
Well, it's because... well, it's just like SIG just calls, like it has its own C++ compiler. It's the same as make or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like it's just running a bunch of commands in reality, you know.
Just
So
running
it's
a
like compiling the library that is in C++, and then it's just linking with it, you know.
Makes sense. Still crazy. Anyways. So wait, where were we with the SDL? So we added. So what is
You
this?
added in paths, right?
Yeah.
Now we got nah, don't worry about that. So now in the imports, you see the SDL where we want to do the actual like accessing it from SIG now, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, uncomment. Then you do SDL header dot create module. Alright, now we also got a link with the SDL lib. So you do like renderer link library or something. But it's probably renderer root module. Yeah.
The
That's
same
what.
thing with like this one.
Well, it's not system library per se,
Yeah.
but it's link library. Yeah. And then in there you just pass in the SDL lib. And you want to do it for exe as well, I would assume.
Yeah, the exe needs the same thing. And then we can also remove the GLFW thingy. Oh wait, not yet. Almost, but not yet. I have to do the transition still.
Yeah.
But the GL can go away here because that's the old thing that can be removed from.
Yeah, we don't care about OpenGL anymore.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna have to remove some stuff in the build system because of that also.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll do that afterwards.
And this one just changes to.
Bro, it's linking with everything.
Yep. No, it's good to use libraries.
Not system ones.
Well, okay. Should I take in Vulkan as well?
Yeah. No, but like what you should do, for example, with something like OpenSSL, you will probably find OpenSSL with like the SIG build system, and then you will have that in your SON. And that makes so when people actually want to run your thing, they don't have to install it on their local machine. They can just like run it, and then they don't need any they don't need to do like sudo apt install something.
But this is also just because of Rust and spacetime, so it's gonna go.
Yeah, exactly. It's whatever.
Spacetime is also gonna go. But let's see, is there anything else with GL somewhere? OpenGL, that thing is gonna go. Anything else? There seems to be one error somewhere. What is this? What? numc is not unused. I think it's tripping now. LSB reload. Unused local constant. Did I remove numc by accident? Oh no.
Maybe.
Oh, it's probably because of that. It's just complaining now because it's still used here. But what this thing in build? Is it just because I should build? Yeah. Yeah, cache check failed. So it is this thing. What did we do last time for that translate C? We always have the same issues with this thing. What is this? Always the same problem.
Yeah, it's the hash. It's the hash.
Ah, it's the
in
hash,
the
right?
song, I think.
But this one should have been correct by. Can I get the hash somehow?
You can also, if you go to the SDL GitHub, you can look at examples also. And there's an example. Is there not? Well, this is the actual thing, though. Is
Yeah.
But I thought there was example. Yeah, example. It's in the README. In README at the top, basically. It's like a link. Cast all example, snake or something. I don't know, breakup, whatever.
Yeah.
Then look in the
But that's a
Can probably.
older version though. 3 months ago.
Mm.
Shouldn't this still should be valid? Shouldn't this still should look? Bleh.
But look in the build.sig maybe for breakout the actual build because maybe we are doing something wrong. Maybe the guy already made like a module and you don't actually need to do the translation. The build.sig, not son, not son.
The build. Let's see.
We don't care about M script then. SDL the mod. What is app mod?
Create module.
Create mod. Nah, that's the main module. Where is he? Actually, damn. This guy cast home. He has some interesting build scripts. You can say.
Everybody's build script look different. Create module also. Let's see app mod.
Yeah, but that's for them like app ads. So
Is the dependency?
Oh, now he's doing with C. Ah, that's why he isn't actually like even like using it inside of Sig. It's just Sig build system. So he's in a separate thing place. Whatever.
Okay.
Maybe we can find another STL thing ported to Sig.
Yeah. Let me just close these things. Why not just take the normal thingy?
Nah, bro, with that shit sucks. We don't want that shit, okay? It's terrible.
Just the normal
Hate that
thingy.
garbage. No, we don't want to use the normal thing because the normal thing is success. It's terrible.
Damn it.
Terrible.
Terrible.
If I uppercase T.
Terry Davis.
That's right. Let's see here.
I think the normal
These might
STL would be
be
pretty
slightly
fine. Pretty fire, I think. If I do say so.
I don't think so.
No?
It would not be fire actually. It would be horrendous because that would need people to install the terrible piece of shit library
But
on their PC.
if they already have Steam, they should have it then.
That's not how it works.
But if Steam uses SDL.
Here you go. Yeah, but Steam doesn't install SDL for you. What Steam does is it installs SDL in its own like bin directory, so it's not exposed
So,
anywhere else. So no one's gonna be
let's
able to use
hijack the Steam directory to use SDL.
Right. I used to this here. Not stream in there though.
Wait, you sent 2 links. Which one? Both of them.
The bottom one. The bottom one is not like it's the command.
Could you stop removing the embeds? I'm getting confused.
Nah.
Okay, so I'll remove the old.
Just do that. Yeah, but no, don't remove. Just do the command. It will override it.
Okay. Up data. Override existing SDL. Okay.
Now try running it. You don't need any new setup or anything. I don't think.
SDL lib set use of unclear identifier SDL lib set libc make lib SDC out.
Of course.
That's not
because
from
we
mine.
are using master. Yeah, no, that's not yours. Because we are using master, everything is broken. So.
Right. So what if we just use the normal C line?
No.
Or do we have
to,
to,
we would have
to go down to the stable version?
Yeah, good luck. Good luck with that.
Next
like
time
when you're using stable, nah.
I think
you're lost in right now.
Once 16 becomes stable, I think we will stay on that one. 16 is pretty good.
You would stay on that one. and I will be on 17. Yeah.
I think 0.16 is starting to look. Okay, not really. There's still a lot that could be better.
There is a roadmap, and it's like 70% done or something right now.
That's it? Wait. I gotta wait. Sig roadmap.
SIG 0.16 roadmap.
Can I just in.
Or progress, maybe it's called. Maybe do progress or something. Yeah, I don't know.
Like, is it just like a blog or is it an actual, like.
I think it's on their website.
Sig progress, CLI progress bar. No.
Not SD progress on. Just search SIG 0.16 progress.
Milestone, Sigline. Codeberg.
Oh, 90% complete, you see? Bro,
Listing?
on the other link.
Ah,
At the top.
That's like 3 minutes ago.
But now this is... yeah, is this on GitHub? Oh.
Yeah, this is GitHub one. But it's updated not
That's
3
probably
minutes ago.
more than that.
3 minutes ago.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is
3
probably
minutes ago.
more.
Okay, okay.
It's probably more 3 minutes ago. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Codeberg is just so
Yeah,
much
okay, well.
faster.
Yeah, no, right, but yeah, 90% done, so it's probably gonna come out in like a month or something.
Sure.
Like they do about 1 to 2 like stable releases every year, so
That's crazy.
yeah, they're like really cooking.
They're doing a lot of good
It's
shit.
good that they did all the breaking changes like I don't know, a week ago.
Damn.
And I made breaking changes. Like you haven't even seen a UC main, bro.
No. All right. Anyways, so
Yeah.
how are we going about this? I
Okay,
think we
so-
should.
So look at what we're gonna do is we are gonna use the headers from this SDL3 and we're gonna just link with the system one, alright? Because there's no stable ones, okay?
So using the
We're
C1.
gonna have to do some we're gonna have to do some terrible decisions to make it good.
Terrible decisions.
SDL is actually a terrible thing. You really should not use it, but yeah.
Wait, did I just sig fetch save and then this link?
Yeah.
That's crazy. And then we're gonna use the headers from. Wait, where did the thing go that we sent? There.
No, okay. No, wait.
Unable to determine name, fetch
No,
packages, no build six.
No, bro. No, you don't. You don't get how this works. Alright, okay, go into build.sig.
But I didn't get the correct SDL shit. I need to redo it.
Yeah, it
first.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
It's still the same headers. That doesn't matter. It doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Alright.
Remove this SDL lib, right?
Okay.
Constant SDL lib.
Mhm.
We'll do this in a funky way because I don't want to go through the other way of like actually fixing it. Like this build is so scuffed anyways. We're gonna have to redo it all anyways.
Gonna have to
Now
redo
you
it
just
then.
do link system library SDL3.
Still link system like wait. Where? You mean
No, you do it on the renderer.
Yeah, it
and
was
the
like-
exe.
both of
Yeah.
them? Do I? Okay. Yeah. So what I said.
Yeah. It is because there's nothing on the stable that works. I mean, master.
Unstable. So then we just
Yeah, nothing works on the stable.
and then is it just SDL3 like that and then comma
Yep, SDL3 like that.
like that. And I
Yes,
can
so
remove
you can
this
remove
one.
the link library.
Yeah, and then I can take this
remove that.
one. And then we can go down to where is it there? Paste it there. Remove that. And we'll do this and we'll like so. Yeah. Do I even need... Wait, do I need these things still?
Yeah, you skip that shit. Yeah, it's just headers. We don't care. It works, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so now you should be able to use STL.
They still don't like this tongue.
Okay. So just remove the URL and the dot hash in there. Yeah,
Oh.
remove those fields. Yeah. And then you do dot URL equals git plus and then the actual lib STL org STL.
Like that.
Yep, that's great. Add a comma after the string also. Now it's going to complain, but it's easy because it's gonna like tell us what to do. So just follow what the build says.
It tells me to do this. For the URL. Alright. Fuck. Did it even go to visual
Bro,
mode?
using the mouse in the UV.
Yeah, kinda cursed. What the hell? I swear I copied it. Maybe I didn't. Oh my god, now it's not. Gonna have to use the mouse. Jesus. Like so. Easy. Most stuff they are doing is not in the milestones. Damn. You got a little bit of more
Ah.
information. Okay, so let's see.
Yeah, well, I guess it didn't say like break everything in the milestone. So yeah, I
Break
guess
everything.
the milestones are not too descriptive. Yeah. Now it's gonna say about the hash that you need.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
but just copy the
crazy.
expected hash.
Imagine if you could navigate in the terminal as well with your key binding, so you wouldn't have to use your mouse. That would be great, you know.
Imagine if you just like used VS Code and you could just like learn to use that very fast.
No, it's
That would be crazy.
no. You can learn. You can do faster stuff in NeoVim.
Yeah, if you learn it really well. Let's see.
Error cache check.
Mm,
Cache check
okay.
failed.
It might not be finding the file. Can you, in this STL GitHub on the left here, can you go to include?
Yeah. Wait a moment. Include SDL3.
STL.
Oh yeah, I don't
Okay,
have
that's the.
SDL3. Yeah.
It's different in the build. Yeah.
Two. But this is SDL.h then. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Hallelujah. So now we just need to switch out the thing from being that to being
You're cooked. You're cooked.
Welcome.
welcome. How are you, Mr. Damon?
I'm all right, but I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay.
So I'll catch you guys
You're right.
later.
Sleep well.
You'll see you later.
Yeah, I know. Next time.
Next time.
Bye.
Bye
Next
bye.
time.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, so then we should be able to take in the SDL in here.
Don't do it there, bro. You just replace the LFW.
You want it on the cell line? Const
Yeah, put it on the
SDL
side.
at import import and did I just call it SDL with lowercase? I probably did.
Yeah. Okay, now, Lucas. Now we have a challenge for you, which is write an STL program, but you cannot use any ChatGPT.
Why would I do that?
Because I'm forcing you.
Well, but
You
my
can say,
internet
"Ask
speed
me
is
easy
so.
stuff because I know STL."
You know, I don't know SDL.
Yes, it is.
Do they have examples there? Good.
Bro wants to use STL, but he doesn't know STL. Bro does not know what he's getting into right now.
I know what I'm doing. STL window, STL.
This is the
what?
callbacks. I almost hope that you get tricked by this and use the callbacks that they provide.
App init, STL init. That's what I need to do. Wait, I just need a window. But this is a thing, like I could just ask AI and it would provide me the same code, but just the right snippet that I need to use.
Nah, bro, what you want to do is you want to do well, first of all, we're gonna do a little checking function
Checking? Why would you need to do checking now?
because we want to do error handling, right? Just make a function that's this function is gonna save your hands of typing, all right? At the top or somewhere, I don't know, doesn't matter.
Okay, we'll put it at the top for now because
Just
it
do
will
a
be later.
function.
Alright.
Yeah, pub function.
Public?
I would do pub. Yeah, I would do public. Like
Okay.
you should like basically always do public. I mean,
And I don't do
who
public
cares?
until I need it. Okay.
I do public on like everything.
Alright.
Okay, so now we can call this SDL check. Right, and this one takes in a result. Like the field is gonna be called result.
Oh, but it's from the or it's just okay result.
No, it's just a bool.
Okay.
A bool, a bool, a bool.
Okay.
Yep, and nothing else. Um, now we do if and then not result. Yep.
Result.
Actually, no, we can actually do this better. No, actually, just do if result return. Yeah, this is cleaner.
Wait, if result return.
Don't don't do return false. Just return.
Yeah, wait, it's not a bull,
Great.
right? Okay.
Now,
Wait.
after this, we
So if result, then we return. But okay.
yeah. So like, if result is true, which is gonna be if it is success.
Okay.
Now you do STL underscore. It's actually STL.STL. Yeah. STL. He doesn't even know the naming for this. Oh no, he's cooked. Get error or error maybe.
Get
think
error.
it's get error. Yeah. Great. And then semicolon, and we want to assign this to a variable. Yeah, actually const, my bad. I said variable because it's a variable, but it's used to error, like
I don't want.
underscore message.
Okay, that can make sense.
Yeah, okay. And now we do std.log.err for error. Yeah. Then just pass in here. Actually, we can do. No. Yeah, we can do a bit. No, we'll just. I can do that. Do actually std log.scope or scope that is. Or it's nice. It is scope. Yeah, no, it is scope. Okay, scope. Yeah, and then you do pass in a enum. Bro, really doing this the hardest way.
Enum. Do you
Just
mean
do .stl.
You mean STL dot?
Yeah. No, stl. .stl.
Dot STL. Okay. Where is that?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
it's.
then right
Oh,
parentheses.
wait, what? It actually does it have like an actual inbuilt. What is this? Where does
It has an enum literal type.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, bro. Bro did not understand this function.
No, this is
It's,
what is this?
It only takes in the enum.
Okay. What? Okay.
Yeah, and then you do error on this scope.
Ah.
And then in here we just want to print the error message.
Wait,
So it would be quotes, curly braces S, whatever.
do I need a new line for errors, or do they have automatically?
Nah. Logging has new lines automatically.
Okay. And then here just error message.
Error message. Yep, and we also want to return now after this.
Result error.
And we return error. And then you can use do .stl error or STL. Errors are camel case with first one being uppercase.
That's first.
Yeah, it is. But it is what it is. Okay. Now we have our STL check. So now somewhere we want to do our STL init.
I think that's pretty good after we have gotten the probably in the beginning, like the first thing we actually want to do.
No,
No?
no, bro. Oh my god, why is your allocator separated from your allocator implementation? Bro, what is this code?
This was because we wanted to use the what's it called? This thing. So it's just
Yeah, I know. We are going to use that, but like, why is the const allocator spread out from it? Why are they not grouped?
that was a funny mistake. Okay.
Right. Okay. Now you do try STL check.
SDL check. Okay.
Yeah, it's our custom function that we made, and then you do STL init. Well, STL underscore init. Yeah. Right, and in here we want to pass STL underscore video. It's all uppercase. Oh, right, it's probably STL init nowadays. Right, it's init video. And it was video before, but now it's STL init video. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and then now we want to do a defer after this. Like on the yeah. And then we do STL quit.
Is it quit? Quit just like that. Why
Yep.
did that?
Okay, now we have initialized the global state of STL, which uses a bunch of globals. Ah, we love to see it.
Yes.
All right. Now, in the main loop, actually, we can remove all this GLFW crap. We don't need that.
I do need to be about this thing specific, or is that something does SDL
Yeah, too
just?
bad. You can't control this.
Ah,
I just
so
removed that.
SDL fixed that for me. Good.
No, I still use this what it wants to be. Great.
I don't need that. And then the window will
Remove
have
this.
to. Well,
Yeah,
Okay.
you remove the window. It's no bother. Just do
get
now you
required
can do,
extension.
yeah, we'll fix that later. STL also has that.
Yeah. Okay. We'll take that. Okay. Anyways, let's initialize the window.
Yeah, then you do var window. Like you should probably do the STL initialization before, like right before the window, just to keep like STL crap back together. Okay, sure. And then you do colon STL dot STL window, and it's no underscore.
No underscore.
Oh, there is an what? Oh no, there is an underscore actually. What?
It's tripping me, bro.
Damn, it's been a long time. Yeah, I haven't used STL in like half a year. And then you just do equals undefined. Wait, can you check the type of STL window, like the declaration for it?
Opaque.
Opaque. Okay, do a star before STL then. Like it's a pointer.
Yeah.
Equals undefined. And then we do STL after this. Actually, no, sorry. We do try first. STL check. Yeah, and then you do STL underscore create window. create a nice. Okay. Great. They gave
Title
us in the
with
title.
height flags. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you about the flags in a second also.
Yeah, this is called Planetary Sigma. Planet Sigma. Alright. And then width and height. Can I? No, I cannot. I just have to give it something, right? I'm gonna give 600 by 600.
Well, do you want it to be just maximized or what?
No. Just 600 by 600 now. It will do a recreate swap chain anymore. But which theme is this? This theme is I don't even remember what theme did we get in the end for this.
I don't know, but
Sure.
it's way better than we had before. It looked like my theme, so it's good.
It's Cat Fukin, however you pronounce that. That's the theme. And it has a lot of well customized. Okay, good. Alright. So the flags.
Yes. Then we do STL underscore window flag something Vulkan
Flag.
a window STL window.
Yeah, the window
Vulkan
flags
probably.
there. I wanted to see what it could have been.
That's just the enum.
Bruh, you're kidding.
Well,
Flag.
enum. It's just a ugly piece of crap.
That's
Just do STL underscore window Vulkan, I think. Hello, Tisha.
okay, like that. Okay, I see. I pipe the flags then, probably. If there's
Yeah,
anything
perfect.
else. Is there anything else?
I don't. Well, probably resizable. STL dot STL window resizable. Blah blah blah.
Oh, you're doing STL right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to use STL for some reason.
Are you
Yeah.
using a binding or?
No.
Nah.
I still.
Nah, he wanted to do it ugly and hard and overly complicated way.
Yes.
Like I would definitely pick a binding here.
No.
From my personal experience. That's all the flags we need. There's nothing else.
Okay.
Great. Now we also want to do a defer.
Wait. Complete a random
we
question,
do
but which
this
language do
one.
you prefer between SIG and C++? Also, I'm currently learning SIG as my main language. Do you think it's a good idea, at least for learning purpose, or should I learn C instead? Depends on what your
What did he
objective
say
is.
was learning?
He's learning SIG as his main language, or their main language, but they're
Good.
also questioning if they should do
Probably
C.
write C first.
Yeah, depending on, of
Nah,
course.
bro. Write C for the first. Write C for 1 month, and then you will see how shit it is, and then you go to SIG, and then you realize how nice it is, and you're never gonna want to go back to C. All right.
C is the
That's how I
OG.
do it, okay?
C is the OG language, and if that's what you want, then that's it, pretty good. But I'm out.
Understand C, okay?
I just
Then
always has to answer with this thing, kind of like I just don't. I don't have enough C++ experience. I only done it a few years, but like to answer a question like that, but I would prefer SIG over C++ always, and that's one of the answers why I would prefer C++ over SIG over C++. Shit, guys. So yeah, and then we just do an SDL.
Learn C, bro. Learn C and then SIG.
Yeah, is it destroyer? What
Trust
do they
me,
call?
if you learn C, yeah, destroy. But like if you want to learn SIG, like learn C first for like 1 or 2 months or something, and just like try to write simple shit like making a dynamic array. Okay, like just do that, and then you'll see how terrible it is, and you'll understand all the flaws of it, and then you go to SIG, and then you'll see how nice it is, and you're gonna love SIG. You're never gonna want to go back.
SIG is. I
But
think.
you know, the problem with that approach, I would say, is that when you are like always in the learning phase of a language, you know,
Yeah.
like I think if you learn SIG right now, you can just continue going for SIG.
Okay, Tishef, do you think I am good at C, or am I like okay at C, or?
Not gonna lie, I haven't seen your programs yet, all, but I think you are okay.
I think we need more data.
That's actually like something good.
We need data on how programming in C in order to understand that. We cannot answer that question just like that. That
Yeah.
doesn't make sense, no.
Yeah, okay. I can send T-Chef some. Well, you know T-Chef that Wayland tutorial video. Yeah, I follow that.
Yeah.
That is the biggest program I've written in C, but I still know C.
Yeah, but
I understand it still.
But I mean, like, you gotta interact with the like much of the time.
Yeah,
so
I do that with the because I'm using SIG, which and I need a bunch of C
Yeah.
libraries all the time.
But
So,
it's
yeah.
like it always depends
So I
just
interact
in the
with
sense of every language has their pros and cons. But in general, I think SIG is on top, like just for me. But
C has a lot of cons. A lot of them.
but it has the greatest.
Way too many of
It has the greatest pro of them all, and you know what that is?
What is that?
That the CABI is the standard.
Yeah. That's all it got for it. That's all it is. Like C is literally just some kind of in-between protocol for languages at this point.
Yes. So kind of gotta give it for that, you know. But anyways, where were we? Where do we destroy the window? And now, is there anything else I need to initialize for SDL, or is that it?
That is it. So now we gotta do the main loop.
Yeah, here. The fucking block in extensions. This is great.
Yes.
Required extensions. Then I need to get the
Yeah,
extensions.
STL has something like this also. Bro, why did you call it GFW extension count and GFW extensions? It's just extensions, bro.
No, but I also did it because maybe you have also other extensions that you are doing,
Yeah,
and then you
exactly. That's also why I
Yeah,
did
yeah,
it, you
yeah.
know.
like.
Oh,
But-
nah,
But
now it's
what
going
other
back.
extensions do you use?
No, I'm not using any other extensions.
Yeah, I'm not using any other. Yeah, I just want to
Or I do
keep
have
the
these
naming as much as
ones.
possible.
Nah, you use debug utils.
Yeah,
The one you're using now.
I just realized that I have fucked it up because I should
Yeah,
have 3
that's
here.
also why I'm using it.
Okay. Okay. Anyways, and then we change this one from being this.
What? Bro,
Just-
why are you initializing the array like that? What? Why does it need to be length? Why does it need to have 8 of them?
Because I need to index
And why is it called array?
and tell each of the
Why is
elements
it not
what.
called extension? Bro, what are you trying to do here? Like,
I need to provide. I need to provide.
Yeah, by the way, Lucas, you should pass in Wayland surface and surface manually. Like, that's not something you should do.
What?
Like when you're using a library, especially.
you don't even
Like,
need to
the
give.
default-
Bro, STL does this. It handles it for you.
It does.
Just remove the VK, the Chrono surface, and the Wayland thing. GLFW also handles this. If your shit doesn't handle this, like, what are you doing?
Also, this one.
It's such.
Yeah.
Yes. Bro, this is the most terrible, like, block of code I've
You,
ever seen.
you're judging me too quickly, bro. You don't know how hard it was to get this to actually work. This is the
Oh,
approach
yeah,
of.
I am judging you too quickly. I don't know if there's any uglier blocks, because I haven't seen a lot of the code here.
Whoa, whoa!
no.
Don't have to kill me like
Like,
I mean, it's
that.
true.
Like, be this gentle, like, when seeing just one block of code.
Yeah,
But
exactly. It's hard to say it's the ugliest one because there's probably way worse ones out there.
wait, no, I
alright.
have no experience with
But
C,
Lucas-
but from what I've heard, SIG is technically lower level than C in a way. Is that true? I don't know if.
Nah.
Nah.
Nah, they're both like the exact same. It's just
Yeah.
that the standard library in SIG actually provides useful features.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
SIG is just more explicit, and that's same for Rust. But I don't think it's more lower level. It's the same level.
Nah, they're
It-
both the same basically
yeah.
because they're in the end they're doing the same things. It's
Yeah.
just that SIG has higher level standard library features.
Yeah, that
Kinda.
it comes with like more provided and useful features that you can use. Of course, you can do everything from scratch if you want to, as in C, you do stuff from scratch completely every time. But if you're gonna go lower level, that's basically assembly. If you wanna go lower than this, I would say I don't think there's a lower level than C or Sig or Rust. That has to be assembly if you're gonna go lower
Oh,
level.
Rust, I don't know if that's low level.
It is.
It's memory managed.
Isn't it interpreted, you know?
But bro,
No, but like Rust has memory management. Like it has the
Does it?
borrow checker and like
yeah, but
yeah,
but
it
but
has a
the thing with Rust,
stateful.
it's so it's still I wouldn't find it's still the same level as C, but it's even more explicit. Like it's so like even you remember we spoke
Nah.
about the pointer provenance, you know?
Sure.
In Rust, you have to explicitly tell the language about provenance. Like this is hidden in C and Sig. We don't know about this. Yeah, you do. That's how like explicit and safe Rust is. It's like it's even in their. I think they have like it's written. I think it's the only programming language that has it written in their documentation.
Yeah, I don't know how low level it is to have like lambdas and shit though.
Well,
Mm.
I mean, that's also just a language feature.
yeah, that's just a language.
Yeah, okay, but
I would
arbitrary is
put
just a
trust in the
language
same
feature.
level as C.
Okay,
I
but
would.
this like
Nah. Bro, like Rust has like memory management like that is automatic. It's just that you got to like be very explicit with it, but it's not low level.
Doesn't
It's
okay?
like
I have.
medium level.
I don't have enough was experience, I would say, but
Wait, do they
but
have?
like I saw
Nah,
people
bro.
writing operating
Rust.
systems in Rust, so like it must be low level, right?
Like you can do really low level if you want to write unsafe Rust, but unsafe Rust is like a completely different language. It doesn't have anything in common with like normal Rust, except that they both
Okay.
suck. But
Well, that's usually
yeah,
every time I use
that's very
Rust,
low.
I don't think I have ever written a line of code in Rust that wasn't unsafe. Like that's
Yeah,
every
exactly.
time.
Like if you want to get something done, you write unsafe Rust. You can't get anything done with normal Rust. It's just everything is unsafe. Like, yeah.
Okay, how do I get the requirements in this thing? Get require. Is there such a get requirements or what is it called?
There is like STL Vulkan something. It's probably STL underscore get Vulkan required instance extensions.
Then
Maybe you need a separate header for that, which in case that is the case, that sucks.
still
Very,
GL
very.
extension support now. Is it VK?
Maybe ask ChatGPT because this is
Aha! See,
real
I
example.
told you. I told you.
Yeah, but I don't know Vulkan for this, bro. I think it might be in a separate header, which sucks ass. It's terrible.
Do you think this is enough information to tell? I'm gonna get some water.
yes.
Yeah, I'll do some other stuff in a second also, but I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, Harold, you were right. It's Vulkan.
Oh, yeah, I was right. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I'll be in a bit.
Alright.
Alright, I'm back. In STL, the equivalent of extension for Vulkan is STL Vulkan get instance extensions. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Maybe we need another. Bro, I can't speak. Vulkan get. Okay. Maybe I need to go
Maybe
through.
if LSP is not Vulkan, just
That's another
try it and see.
plausibility. Plausibility. Is it even called that? Why the fuck?
Why is bro copying C code?
No, because it's gonna be a C call anyways.
Yeah, I guess.
So it's fine. Window extension count. Yeah. And then a null pointer. And then we don't need that one, and it probably doesn't find that. Use a functor, and it's oh, look at that. Okay, wait, it does seem to be. Does it actually find this thing? No results. L reload. No, it doesn't. I don't think it finds it. I think your window must be created with SDL Vulkan, works both for SDLT same function as it does not return static array, blah blah blah. The call once, blah blah blah. Okay. Do I need another header? Header for this? Yeah, that's what I meant. A lot of people have said you have more control over your code with SIG and that it hides nothing from you. That's true. That's well, I guess it's also a question of control, you know. For example, I think you have to have more control, but in a sense, you don't. Tisha, how can I explain this? You know, because in C, you can just implicitly cast integers and float around, you know. And I guess that's also a form of. I guess that's freedom in a sense. You have more freedom in C. In that sense, that you can just do that, you know. That's a
I
very.
would say that's just a form of explicitness
Yeah.
on Zig's side. Like I
Yeah.
wouldn't.
Hello.
Hello.
World.
Man,
But yeah, I don't
Yeah, these are
know.
different header. I knew it. God damn.
so should work at SDL at this point.
Yeah, I basically already know what's going on.
Wait, I know there's a button I can press for this. Wait, I know it. It wasn't that.
To jump to the.
It's which button is
What
it
do you
to
wanna do?
navigate? Ah, not that one. How do I go back? No, what did I do?
What do you wanna do?
Oh no. Wait. Okay. I wanna navigate through these ones without pressing. I know you can do it with the L somehow, right? Or it's K. It's K. I know you can do it with K somehow, but I don't know how. Okay, fuck it. We're not gonna think about it. Hello, Shadow Fan Guy. Shadow Fan Guy is back in the chat now. So wait, another header. Wait, can I include path? Is it now just adding the doing it like this?
You're gonna have to do this with like add write files and shit.
Can I just do this?
You know,
And then add another line with it? Or is that illegal?
that's very, very illegal.
Come on, why is everything I try to do illegal?
I don't know what language you're writing, probably Rust.
Shut up. So this thing, basically, root source files, this thing. Or?
Yeah, basically. And then you gotta add an include path to the include for the
Yeah.
thing. It's basically the same as this one.
Damn it! I don't know. Okay. Source file, add write files, add. Okay. Wait, what? What was it? Add? Was the source? I forgot already. B add. Okay. B add. Another for what? Source? My God, Jesus Christ! Okay, now I had enough. I'm doing this. Why can I not? Okay, I don't know why is it not split? And then I'm doing this, and then I'm going to the top, and then I'm taking this like that, and then I'm gonna navigate to this one, and then we can see from here B. Add write files. Yeah. Dot add. Okay, we can also do this. Bam. See, Harold, now I'm using the things that you told me to add. Very nice, am I right?
Congratulations.
And I cannot do this, correct?
Okay,
Good.
guys, I will upload the meme video now.
Oh, hell yeah.
I want to.
That video is so banger.
But do I
It's
do I
better edited than like everything else.
do I need that C.H or what is that? Is that the original like?
You can call it whatever. You're
Okay.
creating a file right now.
Okay. Okay. This is so weird. How have you learned about this build system? I feel like every time I'm trying to do the build system, I'm always so confused by
Pain.
them. Ah, that makes sense.
Pain and suffering.
And then here I
No,
do.
but the best way to learn the,
Hmm?
the best way to learn the build system is to write more projects. Because how many SIG projects have you really written? Like 3?
Yeah, about.
Like they're pretty big projects, but you've written 3 projects. Yeah, like I've written maybe like 2 big projects, and that's still like way smaller than the projects you've written, and probably like 1,000 small SIG projects.
Yeah, no, I don't write small secret projects.
Yeah, no, your first SIG project was literally a VR game.
Yeah, you guys,
So
new language. I'm gonna do something simple to try.
Just something simple.
yeah, it's a VR game.
Yeah, with
It's like
Vulkan
Vulkan.
OpenXR, you know, it's you know the natural path of learning language.
Of course.
But how would you else learn a language? You know, it's
It's a
like
bunch of small projects and
it's
testing shit.
it's like me going like I'm gonna learn Japanese, but I'm gonna do it while becoming a Japanese astronaut, you know. Why not? That's how you do it, right? No, but Sig was coding wise, like the concepts were pretty much the same as in C, but not as explicit or more explicit than in C. So, you know, it was just fun to learn it. How is it going? It's going pretty good. Thank you for asking, Shadowfang guy. You're a very cool person for asking. Now this ad.
Person, but he's a shadow fine guy. What are you?
Okay, guys, I'm tripping. I have. Oh, shit.
Did you eat some? Did you eat some mushrooms or something?
No. I don't think so. What are mushrooms?
It's like
Okay,
mush and
Lucas.
rooms.
Uh huh. Okay, so
Just
this.
you remove the triangle and from the computer.
Yeah, you actually removed the entire project.
What? No, the triangle is still there, but it's not being drawn.
So
But
it's
is
not
the
there.
project buildable?
Barely.
It is. It is.
You ain't gonna build this. You ain't gonna be able to build this shit.
Wait,
I'm
but
just
I know
waiting
the
over time
build.
till Space MDB is not there anymore, but I
yeah,
doubt that's ever
Bro,
gonna happen.
I know the build of this project and it is terrible.
Why are
You're
you
not
always-
going to get this working.
you're always just doubting me, you freaking doubter. Anyways,
No Zig build 1?
Yeah.
yeah. Wait, do I
Good,
do?
but there's so many like external dependencies.
But that's good.
Like, I mean, it can't be as bad as the VR game, right? Like,
No, it's not as bad
as.
as the VR. The VR game was pretty bad.
Well, the
Ha-
video game
But I
didn't have
mean-
any rust in it.
But you can't also, like, do a VR game without, like, a thing, so, I mean,
Yeah,
make it much
like that
better.
pseudo, like that wasn't too bad. You had to install Monado, and the setup was a bit funky for Monado, sure. Here it's more just a bunch of external libraries that you really know like where to find them.
When is an image library coming to Zig standard?
That is a really good question. I think
Why-
I think if they did one, I would probably never use it because it would be so overly complicated.
Okay, when
Sure.
you think about, like, STV does such a good job to, like, simplify it.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. But the problem is that it is in C, so yeah. Yes, Mr. Lucas, don't
What is
Am I doing this
this?
correctly? Am I not?
What?
Shouldn't it be like that, or should
No,
it be?
remove the SDL, the path. You just why are you doing a
No, no, no,
path
no. Don't worry
in the
about this
middle of
part.
nowhere?
Don't worry about this part. I'm just this part.
Okay, okay.
I'm thinking about. This is correct, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. Okay. Then the path is was just there for funny reasons, and then this thing
Yeah, I
is
get it.
this is just like that.
Yep.
All right. And then Shadow Guy is spitting some real facts there. Says that I'm always curious how people are feeling, and I feel like that people shouldn't need to suffer silently. Oh, that's very nice, very nice.
Exactly, because I speak out about Rust and see more. Because they're hurting everyone's mental health.
Yes,
Like
people.
C? Did you say C?
See, wait,
Yeah,
okay,
but
wait,
C
wait.
isn't as bad.
Okay,
It's kind of like depression versus schizophrenia, you know? It's like Rust is just schizo,
I
and
think
C is like
I
depression.
think we need to send Harold to a mental asylum for hating so much.
Bro, I don't hate C, I just don't like it. I really dislike it. You know, hate is a strong word.
Yeah, it is a very strong word. Where's the? Uh, okay, we can go back to the
But still,
main.
like, C in
Look.
itself,
There it is.
if you know, if you actually just removed a couple of things from C, it will be
Remove?
fire, alright? So
Remove?
first of all, we remove libc. Yeah, so we remove libc, that's the first step, alright? Then we make a new libc that is static. And then after that, we remove all the global state in libc, with the new one, of
Wait,
course.
but why is static libc isn't shared better?
Nah, just like shared is a scam. Like it still takes up a bunch of space to do. Like it takes up more space for the table for all of the functions in libc than it is to just statically link it. Because when you statically link it, it's nah, it is way better. Just dynamic linking is terrible.
But for such a like dependent library as libc isn't like static the thing that like when you want to use static, that's like for a project like that. Like, that's at
Well,
least what.
if we're gonna explain it like I can just okay, how am I supposed to explain it and not show anything? But okay. Imagine you have a library with 10,000 functions, all right? And
Yeah, I
maybe
know what
it's
you mean, but
but static is so much smaller because you don't need to have the like actual entire binary inside of your project. You only like when you link statically, it only takes what it needs. Well, actually, no, not in C. In C it does that, not in C, because C has a terrible ABI. Yeah, okay. Nah, but still, you should like we should split up libc, kind of like how governments split up other governments because they can. You know, it's kind of like that. We gotta split up libc into many different things. All right.
I'm doing it right now, Harold.
Well, yes, you're.
Except this is probably gonna be a reference. Nice.
Yeah. Anyways, the next thing you should do to make C better is remove quote imports. Just always include paths. And the next thing you gotta do is just make C use the SIG compiler always because it's the only thing that actually like works in a sensible
He
way.
still goes on. I bet we could leave this call and Harold would still be yapping until tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I definitely would. Anyways, the next thing to remove in C is the god awful type system, and please just add in normal type names. Like, why you int 8 underscore t? Just give me a u8.
Shadowfanger,
Yeah.
that would be horrible. 10,000 functions in a library. That's a lot to remember.
Yeah, that's libc for you. A bunch of functions, and none of them are useful.
Wait, how
we have
does
printf, f printf, v printf, s printf, sn printf, vsn printf.
And where is your async writer set?
Yeah, we keep them at home.
Oh, I see.
how did one get the key press of a
You check
Oh
the
no
event.
Yeah, you check the event, my guy. You can also get the keyboard.
Yeah, that's what I would
but
like
you
to.
want to do the event.
No, this is
Bro,
just for
okay,
exit.
you
If this key is
don't do
just
this.
pressed, I want to. If escape is pressed, I
Yeah,
want to
no,
exit
no,
there.
I don't. We're not gonna do that shit, okay? Just do a while loop here.
Brother.
My guy does not understand how STL works at all. Also,
No.
STL pull event returns an error, I'm pretty sure. Don't forget to try.
I was about to forget, but then you had to remind me.
Yep. And then a while loop here.
How does this work?
Wait, what does STL pull event return?
Bull.
Oh, right. That's how it works.
So it's in just this then.
I
Doesn't
think, what? No. Like, STL pull doesn't actually. Does it return an error? I don't think it actually. I think you're actually supposed to put the STL pull event inside of the while loop expression.
So that's why I should not close, basically.
Well, this like should close. No, not that while loop. You just put a true in here.
What?
Guys, so let's
All
switch
right.
operating systems real quick. Be right back.
Right.
What is he switching to?
Just put a true in this while loop.
Right, okay, we can refer to this one now because this is getting funny. Initialize a drawing with compute. Okay, I think it's probably in the drawing here. Actually, I can just see what I have the damn code base. Why not just check it here? And we're checking for what are we checking? What's the like? We're checking basics for call event. I can here. This is what they do. They have B. Oh yeah, they don't have while quit, and then they have the events, and then E type is still quit.
Yeah, but we aren't.
True.
We are not going to store a stupid boolean. Okay.
So just while true then.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the inner while loop, we do the STL pull event. You can just copy that, and you can remove this STL check because that's not how it works. Right. Then before the first while loop, the outer while loop, like do here. Now you do main underscore loop colon.
Main underscore what?
Yeah. Loop colon.
What is this a var or const?
No, that's it.
You making a block?
Yes.
This is a
Well, not
label.
really.
A label.
This is essentially a go-to.
Yeah, a label. A label.
Um,
Why would we do that? That
Yes.
looks awful. Why would that, bro? No, this is
It
no.
looks awful, but it makes sense.
No, it's not making sense.
It's more efficient.
It doesn't make sense.
No, it will make sense when you format it in a second, and we've done some stuff. Anyways, now in the second while loop,
Mm-hmm.
yes, in the second while loop, do a switch, but do it before the period. No. We want like an inline expression.
Yo.
If you know what I
Yo.
mean. Hello, the chef. Put no. Okay, not it actually. I should not have said that. Just put the switch like right after the right
We're
parenthesis there.
still at the while loop.
Yes.
You mean here?
Yes, there.
What the hell?
And we want to switch on the event. Why it's called events?
Because
It's one event.
No, it's. Okay, I don't know, bro.
It's one event. It's not. It's not like 10 events. It's one event. And then we want to switch on event.type. Type. Yes. And then we want to remove those. Okay. You don't need double sets of curly braces here. Yes. You also got to have a semicolon after the curly brace there. Because it's like one expression and not a block. Yeah. Okay. Now you do else equals the arrow, fat arrow, thingy. And we do absolutely nothing. No, not the dot there, just curly braces. Right. And now before the else, it's a comma, not a semicolon. Before the else, we want to do before the else sdl.sdl event quit or quit event. It's a constant. It's not a. It's a stupid pretend macro. No.
Pretend.
Yeah,
I like to play pretend.
Yes, and now we do break. And then we do colon. Main loop.
Why would you?
Comma. Not semicolon.
But this won't this just go back into the while loop when it comes out now?
No, it breaks it.
No, it will go.
It's breaking out.
But this is while true, and then you go do this thing and you say
Mhm.
break to back to this label. This label continues. It says while true.
No,
go back.
it breaks that label. It breaks that label.
Why not just put a
It's
break
definitely
here?
Because I will break the inner while loop.
No, doesn't break exit all of the whiles?
No.
I feel like it does. Continue is the only one that doesn't.
No, no, trust me, it doesn't. It definitely does not. Okay.
It definitely
not.
does. T-shirt.
No, no. Okay. No. A break or a continue breaks the current while loop. It doesn't break or continue all
I
of
have
the
a,
while
I have a
loops,
feeling that
right?
it breaks
Yeah.
all of the whiles that are
It
in.
does not. It does
Like
not.
in C, it does not. Yeah.
It does not. I have a memory that because I had to. I don't know. I have a memory that it does. Does it actually not?
Nah, bro. Like,
Can I
Lucas,
run?
you know the thing about GLM vectors and multiplication before, when you thought it was dot product? Yeah, this is one of those moments.
No. Hold on.
No, it definitely is. Ah, using Python. Okay,
No. Let's see.
sure. Yeah, we're rewriting this in Python now.
Yeah, I'm writing a whole Vulkan thing just on the browser to get it working.
Yeah.
I could do a for loop. It's the same thing. Or
What?
Nah,
Just do a while,
Just do two while true loops.
bro.
Something.
yeah, if
Ah, it doesn't
yeah,
work.
that works too. While through.
You can either use a while loop or you can use like a for loop with two empty semicolons.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works
By the
too.
way,
But
you need to do Y1.
Yeah, you don't have std boolean here.
but I don't wanna do a
This ain't sig.
Also I don't wanna do an infinite, so I'm gonna do an int x
Okay.
Okay.
is equal to 0, x is less than,
Bro, for
Fine.
loops in C are so ugly. God damn.
and then we'll do
But
that.
I they're like normal loops, I would say.
Yeah, they're the most basic.
Nah.
Sig is
Bro,
just
if
special.
you ever...
Okay.
Sig is... No, bro, the Sig way of doing a for loop is just so much better. Like, if you understand it, and you know how to use it, and like you, Lucas, it's amazing.
Yeah, no, I agree. They are
only
better,
two.
but the thing is that they are not common. That's what I'm saying. Okay.
Lucas, since when
Sure.
are you putting curly braces on the new line?
Bro,
Now.
it's I don't
He's
care. It's shut up, Harold.
That's
You know
how he
that.
writes C. That's how I've read your, like...
You haven't read shit about my shit, okay?
Hashtag StudyIO. Hashtag StudyIO is too great. When is this a feature? When is this a feature? Is it? I want this. When?
Shut
C++
up.
developers get to work.
You fucking donkey. Fuck you.
But yes.
Numbers. Numbers, like so, okay?
Numbers. Yes.
Yeah, we let you cook.
I don't remember the exact syntax for this. It is like this, right?
Print new line.
New
It's
line.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then just doing x and y. I will do actually X like here. Y like so, and then if you do a break here, then it should always just print 0 for and never show if it's by you, and if it's what I think, it should just exit immediately, right? That should be
But wait. If you want it now, you can't prove it. You're not printing. You're only printing in the one loop.
yeah.
Like
No, it will
print
work
like run.
because
no wait.
it
Oh,
will
yeah,
go.
wait,
Will-
nah.
Yeah, it will
yeah,
work.
Wait, now it
exit.
will work.
It will work.
It will exit.
okay,
That's what
yeah.
he thinks. He thinks it will exit.
Yeah, I think it will just do one print
Okay,
and it
but
should
now-
exit. That's what I think it should do.
Okay,
Yeah, but what I think it's
it
gonna
does
do one print, and then it's
five.
just gonna continue living.
No wait. Yeah, 5.
Please wait, your code is running. There. And then last. Okay, no. Okay, so it does break only on this one. Okay, you guys are right.
Yeah. Wow.
Crazy.
That's unexpected.
That was so
Am I
weird, bro.
right?
Why would it do that?
Bro, I've played these games before.
Wait, hello,
Yeah.
hello,
Anyways.
web geek kick. No, first break will leave only its level. What? You should have spoken earlier. Okay, I guess they
also
spoken earlier, but
Bro,
So-
I've been saying this for forever.
but you don't count. You don't
Alright.
count. You don't count.
I don't count. Yeah. Okay, anyways.
Oh,
New line, and then you do SDL.SDL key event, and then we got to do some stuff.
wait, SDL key event, keyboard event. I think you mean.
Yeah, keyboard events, yeah.
Don't even know your library. Yes,
No, because I don't use this. I don't use this. I do it in another way, but I won't give you that way because I know you're gonna do it in the wrong way. So, you do
Bro,
curly
he
braces.
starts using his own level window library.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. I
he
haven't
knows
used
that
SDL in like
yeah.
half a year, bro. Like I
Mm.
switched from SDL to GSW to just using my own shit.
All right.
Okay, now, Mr. Lucas, you do if.
Can I do at least this
Yes, you can.
with cap locks?
If, and then yeah, nice. If event dot key
That key.
dot
Oh.
key
Okay.
yes equals, and then it is STLK underscore no, it's STLK underscore. There is no underscore between STL and K.
Ah, okay.
It's an uppercase K underscore, and then you can do escape. Bro, you're not gonna look through it all. Just type in esc.
Okay.
Yes, and then you do break main loop.
Oops, that's.
Yeah.
No, wait. This one works with the semicolon there. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but I.
Right. You can remove this stupid GFWIO key escape get.
Yeah.
thingy.
But I'm still. Wait. How does? Because now. Okay, but I'm still confused. Shouldn't this just go back into the loop with this break block?
No, it breaks it. It closes it. It ain't a continue.
This is okay. Whatever. Okay, then we're gonna get the new size for SDL, so we can pass it in there.
Yeah. About that. STL has like a resize event.
So I have to go get the.
That's what we want to use.
Oh shit. Okay.
You
How
can
d-
use the gate size, but don't, because it's actually a waste. Like, I've made a window manager. I know what's going on behind the scenes, bro. And what you are doing currently is success. It's terrible. We want STL events, bro. Nah, bro. It's just use the resize events.
Yeah, I'm just seeing how the.
Nah, bro. Don't
There.
look at how they do it. They do a bunch of random ass.
Yeah, I
C++
agree. We shouldn't
projects.
do what they do. That's yeah. SDL window event resized.
Yeah, for most things. Now we should use that. Trust. Okay, so
Well, they do have it
because
empty
when I
actually.
was starting to use STL and I was a noob, Yeah, but when I was a little noob and I was using STL, I thought that was terrible with the events. But now after I've done a window manager, I know that this event system they have here is GOAT. It's goated. It's the goal. This is how you. This is the best way to make a window manager that is possible. Like I tried to design my own shit, and then I realized like that I just made STL.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want to use the resize event. STL.STL resize event. Blah blah blah.
Resize.
Maybe this is called size event, or whatever.
Right, but we can just copy it from here. Wow, hello, Turtle21. And then
That might be STL2 though, but
that might be. Well, it does find it though. Ah, yeah, it's it says though something compile error. Yeah, this is not unable to. Which one is it? It's this one. Unable to translate macro undefined identifier that renamed still event window resized.
Yeah, that's the new name. Renamed STL event window resized.
Yeah.
Like STL when they moved to STL3, they kept all the other things but behind a define. Okay. So yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Alright,
that seems better.
Curly braces. Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, this is cool.
I don't know, STL is not very cool.
But we are talking about the seagull, right?
Oh, the SIG, yeah, that's very cool. Yeah, I love myself my some SIG. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I like
exactly.
I love myself my some SIG. Yes,
hate
yes.
SIG. Hate SIG.
Well, don't hate SIG.
Anyways,
Okay, don't hate SIG.
So now we are gonna do the resize. You're the mastermind now. You know what to do.
Well, the thing is that I used the request from the renderer if I should resize or not.
Why would the renderer request a resize?
Because the renderer is the one that owns the swap chain, right? And then,
but the swap chain should obey the window.
But the thing is that you can get from, if I say draw, for example, here, when I acquire the image here, I can get a flag that says that the surface is out of date or it's not optimal. Another thing that I can get is here, when I present it, I can get out of date also or not optimal, and then that means that the resize needs to happen.
No, that does not mean the resize needs to happen. It needs to redraw. That's what that means.
No. This, I know these things. This means that the surface it's not optimal, and we need to recreate it. And that means the swap chains need to be recreated. I know this, alright? And this can happen.
Recreate, not resize.
Well, it's still, usually resize means also that it needs to be recreated.
Does it?
That's most of the time.
Resize, recreate, they're pretty different.
But still, resize is a subset of being recreated. Like, that's one of the big...
Yeah, but you can still get the size. It's no problem. Like, you can do STL get size.
Wait, me and some friends were gonna make a game in Roblox, but there has been some recent drama, so we decided to make a whole game engine and then make the game in that recent. Yeah. I don't know about the drama. I don't follow much on Roblox. I have a friend who made a pooping game in Roblox. Very, very fire.
Very fire hands.
So
terrible. It was the worst game ever.
I don't know about that.
Did that some charm.
Okay, we can, for the sake of argument, I will trust you and not use the implementation of the request from, here. But I'm pretty sure we have to still use what the swap chain tells us. But I will take it from here and put it in here just temporarily as a comment, as any sane programmer does.
Right. Of course. And to get the size now, you can do event.size.x and y or width height. I don't know what it's called. Probably width height, yeah. It's like stored in the event because event is a union.
Event dot drop.
Let's
size?
see what we have here.
Display? Nah.
Yeah.
Window?
No, I don't think so. Once.
Window get size. They have this.
Yeah, we ain't gonna use that though right now.
Uh-huh. Well, then we'll have to figure it out. What? Yeah. It's a it was a great experience. They actually vibe coded most of it. Because they were just exploring like how far can you get by vibe coding it. It was pretty impressive. I was like, whoa. Not that I like pooping games, but
You do love them. I sent you code.
you send me code? Lubas. So change const event window data
That's in
1.
C though.
Oh, but that
That's
should be
not-
the same though then. Event window data 1 and data 2. Is how do I know which one is what then?
Yeah, but they are yeah, because data 1 is with and data 2 is at.
Yeah, how can you know that? How can you know it's not the other way around?
Because with comes first and height comes afterwards, and
And how-
there's like sane person does it the other way, and because ChatGPT said so.
Well, then it makes sense. If ChatGPT said so, then it has to be so.
Exactly. I mean, when has it ever like? Also, you got to do int cast on this ones.
No, it seems to be fine. It's an.
No. Also, I think recreate is
Oh.
one word, so this
This it says
recreate
I.
swaption is a terrible name. Or is that render? I don't know.
That is
Yeah, I
render
32. What does renderer want?
U size. Oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll ignore that
Yes.
for a while. Let's see. Why is this one a problem? Create expected type bool found struct. Hold on.
Does STL create window return the
Oh,
window?
it returns the window. Yeah. Where else would?
Okay,
How
yes,
else would? It, how else
right.
would it get it?
Yeah, I thought it was better than this. Okay, just do or else on the end of the. Now here you do or else. Yes. Or else
Wait, wait.
return.
Whoa. Whoa.
It
Okay.
returns an optional, so we're checking.
Oh
if it's
yeah.
wrong.
Okay, yeah. Or else.
Yes. Or else return error SDL create window camel case all with no underscores.
Okay. S. Wait, what did you say? Capital L.
SDL create window.
Create
Yeah.
window. Like so. Now you're happy. That's beautiful.
Now I am mediocre.
You're mediocre. I'm Joker.
Yeah, now I know. You're actually debater.
Wait, before I saw a vibe coder trying to use Sora for coding. Whoa, that's impressive. I just noticed you're
Sora.
using Neovim. That's cool. Or I think it's Neovim. It looks like it is Neovim. You should. I'm making a video about actually going from VS Code to Neovim. It's coming out real soon. Trust, bro. And it's funny because the first Neovim theme I had, people said it was disgusting. I don't know what they're on about. I think it's pretty good. It basically looked like this.
When you're saying it like that, it sounds like a movie, you know, where it like previews it and it's like an anime waifu that is like, you know, wearing like barely any clothes, but in reality it was just hella shitty colors.
I don't know what they're on about.
Like when you say it like that, I don't know.
What is wait SDL extension? I'm providing the wrong.
Just pass in the reference to the count. It just wants a reference to the count.
Huh. Where would
Yeah,
where,
all thanks to the power of global state.
reference to the count? There, boom. But then it wants a. How am I supposed to read this? What the fuck? Wait, is it just a reference to the count? Yeah. What? That's so
Yes,
weird.
and nothing else.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's because of the power of global
my
state.
PC real quick.
Yeah, alright.
Be right back.
All right. And then we have this one, which is, yeah, no field member function get the. Yeah, okay, now.
Yeah, you're in the disgusting land of the STL now, so now you don't get any nice features.
Ah, don't worry. We have workarounds. Wise words, yes, very wise words.
Right. Because this is in the start, we can just pass in 600, 600 because that's
Yeah, I think it's valid. Ah, that's pretty valid.
yeah. I'm not gonna even try to make this clean. It's already too late.
Brother, we are doing the restructuring now at the same time, just so you know.
Yeah, nice restructuring.
Thank you. Sigbill expected you to be found type.
Right, quit event is probably a type. It's probably like STL event window quit.
Yeah.
Or close, maybe. Probably close, yeah.
Event window close request.
Close request, yes.
And then U32, the same with this one.
Same thing there. Yeah.
What do we have? Event keyboard? Added? No.
Changed. Added
Key map.
or changed.
Key down, key up.
No, okay. Key down, key down, key down, key down, key down, key down. Yes.
And then it's that one. Yeah, we have to do the casting. Int cast, and then that, and then bam, 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 and this, and save that. And then we have this one with window found. Right, but now we're getting into, we have to change a few things, right? Yay, my rip of Minecraft terrain is somewhat working. I'm trying to make terrain generator. It's not going well. Yeah.
Terraria generation.
Yeah, I have a little bit of hard time reading, alright? I'm not that good.
Right.
Damn, hello, Manor DJT. Alright, I think...
Lucas, what is this process camera?
don't worry about it, it's gonna go away from here.
Make it,
It's...
window should be const. Window should be const. Window should be const. Window should be const.
Alright. Jesus Christ, this guy.
Also, why are you calling the function pointers like camel snake eggs? I mean,
Because they're
functions.
No, they're variables. They're variables.
That they are functions.
They are variables.
They are functions.
They are They're pointer variables. Function pointer variables.
Lucas, look in std.options. Okay, look in there for a minute. std.options. Just look there.
STD options. Wait, where do you see that?
std.options. Just look.
Do I have it?
No, it's a type. Just type it. No. Just type out std options and go to the definition. Yeah, it's a type. Not sure. Yeah, okay. Now you press the type option. Oh, it's there. Okay. Now you see the log fn there. In the options here.
Log
Can
fn.
you tell me, is that camel or snake case?
Where do you see a log fn?
Log fn, bro. It's right in front of your eyes.
That's it. fn. fn. Ah, what? No, oh there, that one. This one, log fn. Yeah?
How the hell did they do that? Where is the pointer function? What have they done something to the SIG? What? Yeah, but you see, it's camel case.
That was the point. But you see, this could be it's, we don't know for sure what this could be. But it's
We definitely know though.
it says FN in
how are they-
front. It says FN in front. In front. I don't have an FN in front. So how is it doesn't make sense, Harold. It's not applicable, all right?
It's a function pointer.
Damn, you crazy, but I respect the occasion. Lol W. Yeah, I know. Thank you. I try to be crazy. In a good way, that is. Alright. Okay. Valid point, Harold. Is there I'm starting to speak Finnish Swedish right now. That's not good. Is there a
Yeah.
way to
Let's just talk Swedish.
Yeah. Is there an easy way to format like to camel or that? Because I have done it by accident. And I know there's a way to
In
do
VS
it.
Code, there is a nice way.
No, but there is a NeoVim as well. I know. Is there a
I don't know
way to easily format text in Vim? Lazy Vim. Let's see. I swear there is. I think Lazy makes text formatting very easy. Blah blah blah. CF. Let's see. C. But that's. I meant. Okay, maybe I should have been a little bit more explicit what I meant by that. I meant to like easily do camel case or uppercase. I meant do easily uppercase camel case on visual region. Why is there a exclamation mark void? What is that supposed to mean? It basically means that it can return a. Is it error union? Yeah, error union. Basically, it's just a union. When you normally can return, you can have an error exclamation mark structure, and you can return basically a structure. But if something goes wrong, you just return an error code, kind of. How does it work in memory, by the way? Is it just like occupying the same amount of memory?
It's a union.
Yeah.
It's like a tagged union.
So if it would
The errors are stored in U16s.
U16. So wait, why is my internet so fast? So basically this void here, we can actually take this like bam. Put it there. Beautiful. Meow. Brrr. Okay, maybe I should take something where I return a structure. But let's say that void was a structure, right? So it was. So then you have like this memory region, which normally this would be the structure on success if it worked. But then because you have that error, so this is the whole structure. But if something goes wrong, you use this one, which is a U16, which you can then catch in whatever comes after, and then you can analyze if it went wrong or if it was a successful structure. I can probably understand Swedish. I know Norwegian. Yo, are you sure ChatGPT can even understand that? I'm pretty sure it can understand that. Visual U. So it is. Wait, let me see. So if I do this and then I do. Okay. And then lowercase. So wait, I can do this for upper. And then if I go. And then this for lower. Oh my god, that's crazy. Okay, great. Toggle case. Oh, that's kind of hard. I cannot really get that symbol in a convenient way. What is this example in visual code? So snake is what you actually want. Vim abolish best solution already includes abolish by default. They give you smart case, snake case, uppercase, upper snake case. But I probably don't have this C or C. So if I were to take this and then do a C, whoops. Yeah, no, I don't have that because if I do C, A code action, what is that? Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Why did you not just get a Meta? Oh, for my headset? I bought that when I was turned 18. So that's when I bought it, and that's like 2019. Yeah. And then I just had it, and that's what I used. It was convenient back then. I mean, I could probably get one of these ones, but okay. I could get a plugin to do this. I don't know. Is it gonna happen a lot of times? If it's gonna happen a lot of times, right now it's not too hard to just do this manually. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I'm just gonna go like this, and then we're gonna visual mode, and then we're gonna uppercase that then. There, now Harold is happy.
Mediocre.
Okay. You're lagging crazy. Oh no, it might be, yeah. I'm dropping 48% of my frames right now, so. Yeah, alright. This has to change, but for now we're just gonna let it be. Yep. I should get a better internet or something. I don't know. I was thinking of streaming to restream, but then you would have to pay that service to just make things better. I think it would be funny. Because then Harold could also do funny stuff while I'm streaming in the restream kind of thing. And I think the quality would be better in general. Because of, well, alright, Manner DJT has to go, bye bye. But I think it would be better like streaming experience because I would just stream to one place that would then stream to Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. And I wouldn't have to worry about it. Harold could just do funny things if he wanted to. Or somebody else who would like...
ban everyone.
Back, guys.
Welcome
What?
back.
Welcome back. And T-Chef could do funny
I
stuff
could
in
ban
this...
everyone.
What? Restream?
Yeah, ban everyone.
Yeah, no, well, I guess, yes. But you could also just like... And then multi-chat could work. I would put it like down there. But it's
Or could I
customized.
play Terry?
I guess you could. I guess you could. Anyways, that's pretty much it. So, to error. What the hell? Here. These things, they have to change now. We don't have GL this thing. We have the SDL, right? SDL, bam. And then we're gonna have to change all of the occurrences of window. All of these ones. Basically, boom. There's 2 of them. Can you stop? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Already looking forward to when Harold and I can control stream.
Yep, definitely. That would be crazy. What does it say? Not allowed. Oh, I forgot the pointer. That's okay. Oops.
Will he figure it out? That is a real question. Will he be able to do it? Oh, and he did it. Success.
I'm crazy. And then process camera is also... Right now, this shouldn't even be here. That's the thing we have to move, but I still do it like this, so... Oh god. Can I just put this into GPT and ask it to... Oh, no, I can't.
Oh, it's
Ah.
easy. Okay, I'll tell you, man. It's easy. It's easy.
Can I get just
Like,
key...
there is an STL get keyboard thing.
Yeah, perfect. I will just ask AI to translate to SDL. And I'm not gonna be...
Translate to STL, my favorite language.
And then we're gonna do this. Change this to SDL. Then SDL. Someone just made a whole PR for one comment in a project I'm helping with. Yay! Are you using Arch on the Hyperland? Yes, Max Wirtz, I'm using Arch on Hyperland. Also, the thing GPT made for changing the case is just grave key. Yeah, but the thing is that for me, wait, it's this. I have to press like Alt GR plus, and then whatever this thing is 2 times, and then it becomes the oops, that. Like it's, I don't know if Neowin will recognize that. Let's see. Well, that's a bad example, and that's also even worse. Oh, great. Why are the variables called this? Anyways. I'm not gonna care. Let's see. How well did it do this thing? Key state. What the hell?
Why are the variables camel case?
So Harold do care about it. Oh, okay. Okay, we'll try it.
And why is the matrix not in the type? Why are you doing it after the
Don't worry, I
sandwich?
fixed it.
Haven't we talked about the styling? Ah, yes, such an improvement.
Wait, before we fix that, alright? What does this thing? I still get mouse state. Oh no. Okay, that's
Guys,
irrelevant.
watch my stream.
Get keyboard state. What are you doing? Can I put you on the big screen?
Yeah. Why does it look so funky?
Wait, it's loading. It's
Which
loading.
also is really
That's
fun.
a crazy terminal.
Okay, now we can see
Why does your
FPS.
terminal look so funky? Oh
What?
no, it's a
Right,
bitrate destroyer. Oh, it's not
Okay.
bitrate destroyer anymore.
What?
Whoa.
Bro.
Yo.
Oh, it looks like fluid, right?
Yeah.
Well, I just see a lot of poor bit rates. That's all I see.
Yeah, that's
or
that.
bitrate.
No, can I using 1 pixel points is actually like
I think you should just
like, I
do
feel like
a
actually
quick
straight from
recording
out
and
of
send the
this.
recording. That would be better.
Nah.
Linear matrices, linear algebra scares me. Yep. You don't know the pain I have gone through to make this work. I have shit on Harold's math library, and he has shit back on me for being incompetent. And in the end, it's just both of us who don't know what we're doing.
True. I made the math library, but I have no idea how math works. I have no idea what's going on behind the scenes, okay? ChatGPT cooked half the shit.
But it works, alright? You can see at the top there. Something is being rendered. Right now we're just switching the SDL.
Exactly.
Actually, I have school tomorrow. So I might have to go. We'll continue tomorrow. I will look into getting probably like some quick thing that can quickly change the thing for the next stream, so it's just easy to just...
Wait, Lucas, before you do anything, I gotta send you a bit of code, okay?
Wait, dude, is there a way to select whole word in visual select? Visual select in, because I know I can just go like back VW and then I have it selected, but okay, there's CI, there's, wait, what? This thing, okay, I could do that, and then I can do that. Oh, what the hell, that's not it. Okay, no, it selected it, okay. That's, oops, and that's this thing, okay. So, visual, okay, V, and then what does the I stand for? The I stands for, what does it stand for? Where did it go? There's AJ, but there's no I. Run program. No, fuck no. What is the I? Ah! Okay, we'll see.
Yo, we can send you some code.
What is A? Wait, A. Why is A and I, the things that I'm curious to know, gone? Oh wait, I can scroll. No, I cannot scroll. U.
Bro, just do it by hand.
Yeah, apparently. No. I just want to see. Start visual mode. Move end word. Wait, here. Inner word. Visual inner word. Okay. Start visual mode. A word trailing word. Okay. Damn, there's a lot. I need to get used to this. I never knew you had a Discord, so I thought it was only Lucas bot 2.0. Yeah, no. But I think
About Lucas bought a new one is coming tomorrow or something.
yeah, Harold is working on a new epic bot because reasons.
Well
yeah.
done.
It's done. We just need to. I think Damon might wanted to host it, so we'll talk with him, and then there will be a new bot. So yeah, and we will fix the SDL here. I should probably think about a little bit where I would like to put the process camera. I think we'll do it after the SDL refactor.
Bro, I sent you stuff.
You sent me stuff.
I sent you. Yes.
What did you send?
It's a camera thing I have in STL.
Oh shit.
No,
Well,
it is using a binding, I think, but it's not too bad.
well, why is you taking in? You're taking. Wait, let me just put that on. You're taking in the world, okay? Delta time pipeline. Why are you taking in a pipeline?
Well, it's because I want to set the uniform, but like you don't gotta do that. It's like
Okay.
OpenGL, so yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay. And then you have
But it's like a free camera with
Yeah.
mouse. With mouse.
with mouse.
Alright, it's super nice to use.
Okay. Well, we can take that. We'll put it there so we have a good start tomorrow when we start.
Yoink.
Yoink. We'll put it there. Boom. I will leave it like this. It will be horrendous to come back to, and that's the point. We'll continue from here. To do. Fix camera. Lol. XD.
Implement.
Now, if we don't write good comments here. Lucas bought version 99.12834.187.0. Yes.
Nah, bro, this is just a 2.0.
Yeah, it's... Oh, actually, it's 3.0 because we had one before that nobody knows about.
Oh. Oh, right. That one. I forgot the one. Right. Yeah, yeah. This is actually Lucas Bot 3.0. Yes.
Yeah. That will be it. I will close the stream now because I got school tomorrow and shit to do. I got books to read. But we will be back, and tomorrow we will transition completely to SDL, I believe. And then, yeah, all right, that will be it. At least we got the Frustum working. Bye bye and good night.
Holy shit.